So how are you feeling by the way?
यार मैं ना कल रात को सोच रहा था,
अच्छा.
हाँ कि मैं देख रहा था
Yeah.
ब्रो, तो व्यूज़ कैसे बढ़ा सकता है तू, मैं
That's
उसके बारे में
true.
सोच
Yeah.
रहा था.
So what was the answer that you came up with? What were some insights?
भाई जेन्युइनली मैंने ना एक और देखा, मेरा दोस्त है कुणाल सिंह छाबरा,
Okay.
वो करता है नाइट कैप विद के एस सी, ठीक है,
Okay. Nightcap with KSC.
KSC. He
Okay.
gets really good people also, like
Okay.
Ryan वाड्रा है, वो
yes.
रॉबर्ट वाड्रा का बेटा,
Yes.
एंड लाइक यू नो ही गेट्स सम गुड रिनाउंड पीपल आल्सो, बट उसके भी व्यूज़ नहीं ज़्यादा आ रहे पॉडकास्ट पे. अब मुझे ये है कि व्हाट आई थिंक वर्क्स इज वो जो स्निपेट्स नहीं डालते लोग कुछ एक सेगमेंट का,
Yeah.
जो बहुत ही
you have
मतलब
to have that reels, bro.
है ना, जो
But like, do you mean on YouTube or do you mean on
on
Instagram?
Instagram.
On Instagram, right?
हाँ,
Yeah.
क्योंकि then it gets converted to
Yeah,
YouTube.
yeah.
YouTube पे बहुत कम लोग आते हैं.
हाँ.
मेरे जैसे ही कुछ लोग हैं जो सुबह और शाम को YouTube देखते हैं, but
Yeah.
I don't think daily बंदे के पास टाइम है YouTube खोल के बैठने का.
So what are you watching अभी currently YouTube पे?
मैं सब देखता हूँ bro. एक Alux करके है.
Okay. What's that? Is that like a fashion thing or what?
Alux is like yeah, they like kind of gives you like 10-12 different, what do you call it, you know, things about a particular topic, and then
Acha.
you see it. It's like 10 things that are right now which are interesting, or investments that you can do. It's more like a finance
Understood.
kind of thing, but it's really interesting. It's like its tagline says where future billionaires come to get inspired.
Oh, crazy, bro.
हाँ, तो
And do you
हर
think
हफ्ते
that like it
निकालता
lives
है.
up to the hype?
यार it's very interesting, क्योंकि ना यार you don't find many people you can sit and talk to about these
Oh
things.
yeah, for sure. That's true.
Of course I have very good friends that I
it
can
seems
reach
so,
out
man.
to.
It seems around, yeah.
और जैसे फाइनेंस के दोस्त हैं मेरे थोड़े जो फाइनेंस टीम में
Yeah.
घुस गए हैं.
Yeah.
Then I have like एक बंदा जो commodities में डील करता है,
हाँ.
and then एक दो के म्यूचुअल फंड्स हैं, तो
Yeah.
उन सब से मैं बात कर सकता हूँ about
Yes,
investment.
all this.
Then I have my artistic friends
Correct.
जिनके साथ I can talk about fashion, movies,
Yeah.
films, है ना,
Yeah.
and like paintings and stuff. तो मैं उनसे फिर आर्ट के बारे में बात कर लेता हूँ. And then you know your interpersonal relationships जैसे होते हैं. Then for that I have my parents that I reach out to very.
Absolutely.
I have my girlfriend that I reach out to.
Yes.
And तो तीनों segments फिर cover हो जाते हैं.
So you like got this whole life thing sorted out, huh?
यार I hope I do. But क्या होता है ना, things change very
Yeah.
quickly. अभी मैं लंदन से वापस आया.
When did you come back?
Came back start of this year.
Okay.
First January, February, March के round आया होगा. And the studio and everything and all the events and stuff.
Yeah, this all happened after that? After you came
happened
back?
all after that.
Okay, bro. So this everything that I've
Happened
seen so
within
far.
एक महीने में पूरा बन गया.
That's
And we
crazy, bro.
had hit the ground running.
How did you get the laborers to? You know,
अरे bro,
you had to be on their ass, huh?
नहीं, you don't have to. यार आजकल everything is very time based. उसके पास भी time नहीं हो बैठ के, you know, तेरा ही एक महीने तक काम करेगा.
हाँ, that's true. उन्हें भी अपना अगला
Yeah,
काम
they
करना
want
है,
to finish the
basically.
project and move on
That's
to the
true.
next.
Yeah.
तो काफ़ी जल्दी हो गया. Of course, friends and family also helped.
Yeah.
And even bro, मेरे को पता है ये वाले कुछ तो मैंने और one of my friends Bridge जो co-founder of TOEFL है,
Yes.
उन्हें हाथ से खुद लगाए रात को यार.
Amazing, yeah. I think there's beauty in that as well. कि भाई खुद का एक baby
yeah.
की तरह, you know, like you see
Yeah.
it building up and everything.
हाँ. So
And I can see the schedule and everything, huh? It's like,
bro, you need to do this. Ever since school I've been
yes.
doing this.
okay, really?
So I am a little, you know, I'm especially challenged. So like I have dyslexia and stuff.
Yeah.
So for me starting बचपन से it's been a thing because I used to go to remedial classes. तो उसमें क्या होता है, टीचर्स में बोलते हैं make a mind map or make a timetable.
Damn.
तो बोर्ड एग्जाम से लेके, ठीक है, अब तक
Yeah.
मैं जो भी कुछ करता हूँ ना, मैं लिख के आई पुट इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी
That's
कि
amazing, bro.
ये डेट को ये करना है, क्योंकि विजुअली फिर सब वहाँ रहता है.
Prashanta, I didn't even know that you had this special.
I
able thing,
did.
bro. That's
It's
crazy.
it's on a minor spectrum, but like writing. So
I
like my
understand,
handwriting
yeah.
is very like
Very
you know,
bad, yeah.
it's illegible. People
Okay,
can't
yeah.
read it or understand it properly. So,
Doctors are handwriting basically.
हाँ, not doctors
Or
handwriting,
like you
but
basically
yeah.
make a doctor's handwriting look amazing.
I mean,
it's
fair,
that bad.
fair. So I also had scribe in school.
Okay.
So my board exams I had somebody who wrote for me.
Right,
I
right,
had
yes.
college तक, and even in Stephens,
Yeah.
I had someone who was scribing for me. तो मैं बोलता था, and the you know person who's scribing
Person,
would
used
write
to
it for me.
transcript
So
and
that used to
basically,
save
yeah.
time also.
That's
Because
true, man.
what somebody would take 1 hour to do, I might take 2-3
Oh,
hours to do.
100%, yeah. So
But-
how was it like, you know, like just being in school and having this thing and, you know, like growing up with it? Like, did you ever face any challenges with that? Like, say, you know, some people who try to bully you for it or things like that?
Bro, I would say now, there is a stigma. that is there.
Yeah.
But you know, with time changing, like ADHD wasn't a big thing when
Oh,
we
yeah.
were growing up, and you know, dyslexia was like paranoia till that film came out.
Oh, yeah, yeah. bro,
That
for
actually
sure.
I think changed people's point of view on it.
Yes.
But before that, thoda stigma tha around this topic. Even I remember I was in Lotus Valley,
Yes.
so that's when we used to hang out
yeah,
quite a
bro,
lot together.
man. It's like crazy.
When you're growing up, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So वहाँ पे भी there was, you know, a little bit of a stigma around this. You know, there were no
Yes.
classes, remedial classes नहीं होती थी.
Correct.
It wasn't taken as like a no problem, like an issue.
Yes.
It was dismissed, and
कि,
I'm sure things have changed there now. But
I'm sure, yeah.
my mom kind of shifted me to this school called Step by Step.
Step by step, yes. I
So
remember.
there they had this, you know, they had like a proper
Yes.
like there was a special education needs
Special
covering.
education needs guy.
Thankfully, I would say in a way I didn't need that much help, so I was in the normal classes. So like बच्चों की classes चल
Okay,
रही हैं,
yes.
you would have one main professor जो सबको पढ़ा रहा है, and you will have one remedial professor that would be roaming around
Understood.
class helping the special education kids
Oh,
also
interesting.
and the normal kids. तो हर
अच्छा.
क्लास में ऐसा हो जाता था दो टीचर्स घूम ही रही थी, which is amazing because at that point of time I don't think many schools were doing that.
I don't think so either, man. I mean,
एंड रिमीडियल क्लासेस होती थी, बैठते थे थोड़ा सा 1-2 घंटा स्कूल के बाद या स्कूल से पहले they will rev up on our revision and
yes,
stuff,
Yes.
which was quite helpful, and you could go to someone to talk to in case you facing, you know, any kind
That's
of problem
true.
in school.
Yeah.
Luckily I had beautiful friends.
Yeah.
So and I
like
fit very
literally very beautiful friends.
beautiful
I'm sure,
friends
I'm
in
sure.
yeah.
I'm sure you had a
Yeah.
fair
No,
bit
it was
of
a
beautiful
good
friends. Huh?
school was a good time. Like
Yeah.
9th grade से लेके 12th I think was a very primitive, you know, very important time for me to like, you know,
Get it
grow
out
as
of
an
your system.
individual. grow as an individual, and like, you know, बहुत सारी चीजें you learn
Yeah.
a lot of lessons. And,
That's
you know,
true.
move. But अच्छा था यार, you know, even the network and community was very good.
So are you still in touch with your school friends?
Yeah, I'm in touch with
Most of them?
I would say I'm in touch with most of my boy gang.
Yes.
ठीक है, उनके साथ तो मैं अभी भी हूँ, like
Yeah.
I mean I'm you know, I have some people know all my friends like Shivesh, Moksh. These guys are like Rishi. These guys are all like,
Yeah.
you know, reputed part of wherever I am.
Absolutely,
मैं
yeah.
जहाँ जा रहा हूँ ये
Real
लोग वहाँ
ones.
हैं. Or you know, it's like it's there, bro. You know, I think college में भी अभी I wouldn't say I'm close to a lot of people. College, I think Stephens was a very daisy part of my
Is it? Okay.
journey. Yeah,
Why do you say that though?
Yeah, you experiment a lot in college with a lot of things.
I see, yeah.
So
I'm
you know
sure,
that
yeah.
that
part
point
of part of growing up.
part of growing up. So that became a bit. I was more in my head. Philosophy पढ़ रहा था.
Right, yeah.
So more in my head during that time, and you know, understanding the world. It was more inside. I
Yeah.
feel school में it was more outside. You were interacting
Interesting,
with
yeah.
outside elements and stuff.
College?
हाँ, college. पर भी मैं
interesting.
philosophy रहा था on top
Yeah.
of that. You know, the जैसे trees है वहाँ पे Stephens में पूरा
Yes.
हरियाली है everywhere.
Yes.
And it's very quiet than most DU campuses. बाहर के लोग allowed नहीं होते हैं.
Okay.
And you know, अंदर ही it's like your ecosystem. That's where you live. That's where you eat.
Yes.
Everything. We don't only football when we used to play in college.
Yeah.
That's when we used to interact with you know, outside people from other colleges.
Yeah, it reminds you of the time we used to play football in our society, man.
Good, bro. I just
Back in
sports
those
important,
times.
bro. बहुत
Yeah.
मजा आता था. Yeah, football has also been a very important part of like
Yeah.
I think shaping me as an individual. I won't say I was the best football player.
Yeah.
The only thing I had was my stamina, and like
Where did
my
you
dedication.
get that from? Where did you get the stamina from?
Bro, I used to be a national level swimmer.
अच्छा, okay.
हाँ, तो that way I had that, you know,
Yeah.
क्योंकि lens मारने पड़ते थे
That's
काफी.
true, yeah.
तो that way stamina was there and dedication था, like you know, get up in the morning, you go to the gym. अभी तो since I was in London, काफी वहाँ पे you know beer चली है,
Oh,
काफी
absolutely, man,
you know, you had a lot of junk food there.
Is that where you got the whole like the hairdo and everything warm? Like you उससे पहले भी था.
School after school
After
got
school
over,
only, yeah,
yeah, I
okay.
think I got my long
So
hair.
what's the story behind that? Because I remember, you know, like back when you used to hang out, like fucking 8-10 years ago,
Yeah.
you had, you know, short hair, you were like a guitarist and everything.
Yeah.
Like you were the chocolate
School-
boy, I guess,
bro,
right?
school
Were you?
में it isn't allowed, no? School में you're not allowed to have long hair.
Yeah.
I mean,
And by the way, what is like what's that the having
bro,
right now?
it's indecent juice, bro. It's
Indecent
Yeah,
juice.
it's a herbal
Okay.
energy juice that's part of our IP now.
Okay. Organic.
We are going to get our licenses done very soon, though it's
Understood.
part of most our events. इसमें अपना ginseng है, you got like good herbs, bro, good
Really?
shit.
Are you serious?
Because I'm off
Oh,
alcohol
crazy,
now,
bro.
so this is
Yeah.
the only thing I can consume.
Crazy.
Cheers, bro.
Cheers.
It tastes healthy also.
Tastes healthy, yeah. It's
This
true.
one is I think this is mixed fruit. We have experimented with a
Feels
few.
like life is coming into your body, you know.
हाँ.
It's very energizing.
Bro,
how-
simple principle.
So
Put
yeah, I
good
mean,
things
you
in the
seem to
body.
have like quite a few things going around. I mean, like, you know, we're in the studio and I see the tote bag. Like, is that like a tote bag?
Yeah,
No.
it's a utility bag.
Utility bag, and these are some. That's a gene, and that's
Yeah.
some, like just your art, or like that's some concept
so bro,
or something.
this now I made. So Stevens में I used to paint a lot.
Okay.
क्या हो रहा था कि bro, philosophy as a subject is like
Depressive.
you're not depressing bro, but like very it questions reality. So
that's
मैंने like
true, yeah.
क्या है कि as a Jain somebody is thinking something else.
Yeah.
You know, as a Buddhist there's a different philosophy. You know, Jain Buddhist philosophy भी होती है. Then there's like a Hindu philosophy which
Yes.
all of this is part of Western philosophy, Greek philosophy. उसमें भी
Yes.
इतने parts हैं. You have the Charvaks.
Yeah.
You know, so everyone's looking at the world very from one point of view. Now most of these do not give space for another point of view.
That is
Most
true.
philosophies in general वो आपको एक proposition बताते हैं. Propositions like एक statement. फिर वो A statement, B statement results to C statement.
Okay.
तो अब क्या है कि वो A और B इतना solid in ground अगर तुमने मान लिया तो तुम C statement तो मानोगे ही मानोगे because A plus B is C.
Yeah.
That's how most of these like structures around
So
us,
what were
science.
some philosophers and all that you picked up on that you talked
यार
about these concepts and all?
I would be very honest with you. मैं philosophers पढ़ता था ना,
हाँ.
but मैं हमेशा face value पे लेता था. I
Right,
would
yeah,
never
yeah.
because ना this is how it goes. तू उनके
Yeah, bro.
you start reading the books ना. If you agree to most of the things or you like it's resonating to you, most part of it is आधी book तक they would be like you are
Yeah,
preaching by them,
exactly.
you're talking by
because
them.
they're like, yeah, the whole
Because
thing is
that's
very
how they-
cultish, right?
No,
it's
it's
very
not
cultish.
see bro, cult. See, I won't go into definitions of all of this. ठीक है? Because somebody's cult can be somebody's religion. Somebody's religion can be somebody's cult. So I think
Fair
अगर
enough.
mass accept कर रही है and it's
Yes.
making sense for most people,
Yes.
it's helping most people,
Yeah.
they sustain. And these documents are proof कि logic नाम की एक चीज़ है जो हमने
Right.
बना दी है and it sustains.
But can the world be explained? Because I mean, like philosophy tries to explain
Small
lot of
questions,
things, right?
small questions. Like
Okay.
mass questions, like जैसे बुद्धा था, उसने क्या बोला था? Bro, I'm only care about the little questions. The big questions I don't tackle.
Right.
क्योंकि big questions के answers ही नहीं है. तो एक बार
that's
मैं एक
true.
दिन
It's
बैठा
like a
था.
rabbit hole.
हाँ, it's a rabbit hole. मैं एक दिन सिल्वर सिटी में ही बैठा था and I was thinking a lot. बैठ के I was concentratedly, in a session. Alright, और
Okay.
उस सेशन में मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि यार वर्ल्ड कैसे बनी.
Okay.
एक बड़ा सा मैंने एक कुछ अराउंड 200 मीटर्स का कैनवस रोल जिससे ये जीन्स बनी है ना.
Yes.
इट्स अ पेंटिंग एक्चुअली जिसको हमने कन्वर्ट कर देना जीन्स.
Oh,
My friend and
interesting.
Kashish.
This is can I touch it?
हाँ, you
This
can.
is,
You can.
ca-
This is canvas, bro.
canvas.
हाँ.
Oh, that's pretty
तो
slick, bro. That's pretty
तो
slick.
ऐसी ही कैनवस पे मैंने पेंसिल लिया
हाँ.
और रात को कुछ बज रहे होंगे 2-3 बजे बज रहे
Yeah,
होंगे.
yeah.
तब मैंने अपना कुछ रिकॉर्ड करना शुरू किया and I started trying to understand the world.
Damn.
है?
Through
तो-
art.
Through just like I was trying to clear my mind. What
Okay.
can I ऐसे स्टेट पे पहुंच जाओ कि अब तुम कुछ नहीं जानते.
So you like
और अब तुम
scribbling? Were you
हाँ, I was scribbling. I started with the
Okay,
scribbling.
Interesting.
स्क्रिबल करते करते फिर मैंने एक लाइन बनाई. That's when I felt कि एक सीधी लाइन जब तुम्हारा कॉन्सेंट्रेशन उस लेवल पे पहुंच गया कि तुम पॉइंट ए टू पॉइंट बी एक सीधी लाइन खींच सकते हो. दैट्स एन आइडिएशन ऑफ एन आइडिया. अब मेरे पास एक लेवल ऑफ कंट्रोल और आ गया और एक लेवल ऑफ गोल आ गया. उससे मैं एक आइडिया बना सकता हूँ. फिर मैंने थोड़ा और करा. आई ट्राई टू थिंक about societies, what runs societies. What I came to be is like religious and like social ideas and what do you call it, science, like practical ideas.
Yeah.
These are the two things, main structures of humanity.
Okay, yeah.
एक तुम्हें थोड़ा moral, what do you call it, backing देता है और एक तुम्हें थोड़ा drive करता है to find new things
Right.
and stuff. तो this is what I came to. फिर मैंने इसको पूरा बंद किया और मॉर्निंग में स्टीफन जाना था. वहाँ पे दलाई लामा आए थे. ठीक है.
wow.
तो मैंने उस पे पूरा वो ऐसे राइट दीज मॉलीज एंड स्टफ
Yes.
वो थोड़ा बांधा अपने हाथ
Yes,
से
yes,
तोड़ के
yes.
और मैंने उनको दे दिया. लाइक दिस इज टू यू नाउ.
Really?
हाँ.
Wow, amazing, man.
आई क्लियरली रिमेंबर ही केम टू माई स्कूल ऑल्सो.
Asha, which one? Lotus Valley or Step by Step?
स्टेप बाय स्टेप. जब हमारे
Okay.
बोर्ड एग्जाम्स हो रहे थे तो ही ब्लेस्ड
Interesting.
राइस एंड लोटस पेटल्स
Yes.
एंड उन्होंने हमें दे दिया था. स्ट्रेंजली आई हैड दैट केप्ट ऑल दीज इयर्स. तो मैंने वो उसे उन्हें वापस दे दिया. सो आई सेड टू हिम व्हेन आई
Oh,
मेट हिम
wow,
दैट आई एम
that's
गिविंग योर
amazing.
ब्लेसिंग्स बैक
The
टू यू.
blessings back to you. And what
So
was his reaction
he
like?
smiled, bro. He's
He
like,
smiled?
wow, that's such a unique like.
Can you like feel some aura around these people? Like, the Dalai Lama, I mean, because, like...
होगा यार, I'm sure.
But like, did you feel it? Like, what was it like being, like, in his aura? Because, people talk about aura and everything,
Yeah,
and I was
yeah.
curious.
Bro, auras now around, of course, around a few people you feel it because they are
Yeah.
made to be so big, right? उनके अंदर there are certain energies that are transferring because energies it exists.
Energy exists.
If you like spray a good perfume in the air, right, and it's made out of lotus petals or like a lavender, so that
Yes.
will give you a certain sense of तेरे सारे auditory senses हो गए, right? You are getting taste, smell,
Yes.
ठीक है? Now of course you can't see it, but अगर there's a pretty thing around, or like a pretty object, or like just an iPad for example, like
beautiful
something,
person.
a beautiful person, or like an iPad for example, bro, like
Yeah.
a BMW, like something
Yes.
I find interesting, ठीक है?
Yeah.
So I would automatically feel a good vibe coming
Yeah,
from
a
it.
good vibe coming
Now
from
if
it,
I'm
that's
next
true.
to like a garbage can
Yeah.
and it's smelling, that is also going to give me bad energy.
Yes, interesting.
So that way
So
I
do
feel
you also get this from people as well? Like say, like everyone, like because
Yeah.
you like obviously like in your field of work, you interact with so many people.
you do. Since I think have it ever happened to you talking about it with someone, talking about a topic with someone, and you suddenly get goosebumps?
Yeah.
होता है ना?
होता है.
So that is there. In fact, there's something very interesting also. If I'm sitting with a person who is from a film background, you think I work in art, music,
Yeah, man,
film,
you have
fashion,
quite a diverse
काफी
background,
अलग-अलग
which we will
चीज़ें हैं.
obviously talk about. but yeah.
And then FMCG and stuff. So you meet a lot of different people. Now if I'm
Yes.
sitting with somebody who makes a film, who's a filmmaker,
Yes.
or works in like
Yes.
any aspect of filmmaking,
Right.
और मैं उसका film देख रहा हूँ ना, तो film मुझे अलग दिखेगी. Like I would start noticing
That's
subconsciously.
a very interesting
हाँ,
point you just said.
I will start noticing subconsciously on the making, how the film is made.
Right. Right.
Now if I'm sitting with a musician, I'm watching the same film, मुझे
Right.
score ज़्यादा
हाँ, वो-
interestingly सुना,
okay,
और वो कुछ बोलेगा भी नहीं वो साइड में बैठा है, but वो energy हो रही है ना,
Energy जाती
change
है.
हो रही
It's
है.
sort of
हाँ.
like a collective
Collective consciousness,
एक
yes,
तरह से
that's
sort of,
what
you
it's
know.
in a way, bro.
Interesting, man.
Even ideas देख ले, like it, जैसे अभी मुझे थोड़ा goosebumps type हो रहा है, समझ रहा, धीरे-धीरे थोड़ा आ रहा है, तो it'll build up,
Yeah,
ना?
because you're in that zone, right?
हाँ.
Like you're getting in that zone. You're
And of
having
course
some
you got the
Indonesian
herbs
juice.
and stuff in it.
I was just gonna say that. So tell me this, like
Yeah.
how did we reach here? But how did you first reach here? Like in the studio. I mean, because I remember you when like back in like class 9th or something.
Yeah.
You were a very different person, at least to me. You were this like very like carefree, like little bit of playful, like
Yeah.
harami, like cute, sweet harami
Yeah.
in a way.
I think that's
And
good.
now, I mean, we met at the Diwali party of our friend, and like I was like, wow, man, like you are so serious, like you are so dedicated about this, like you've obviously quit all the vices now.
Yeah.
So, like, tell me the journey, man. Like, where did it all,
Bro, this all
change?
started from school only.
Really?
Yeah.
Which class though?
I think I started my blog, which is a rock and roll,
Okay.
in 2017. तो
Yeah.
9th-10th के वक्त ही होगा.
10th के हाँ
Right.
आसपास ही,
तो
right.
क्या है कि that point of time I don't think I was thinking about anything consciously.
I think bro, 2017 must have been 12th, I think. 12th
हाँ,
or maybe
हाँ,
college
17
even
was
though.
12. So
12th,
16,
yeah, 16 के
14 I
आसपास.
probably would have started.
Okay, yeah.
तो वहाँ पे bro I was in Kashmir.
Okay.
And मेरे दिमाग में आइडिया आया, मैं मॉम डैड के साथ ट्रैवल कर रहा था, and we travel a lot, like locally
Okay,
and
nice.
internationally. तो
Nice.
मेरे को बहुत टाइम मिलता है to think when I'm on these trips. Because distractions कम होती है, not interacting with a lot of people.
Absolutely,
Phone
yeah.
है, call आते हैं, but otherwise you like
Yeah.
you're nothing stressing.
Correct.
You. So मैं वहाँ बैठा हूँ, मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि यार एक blog बनाते हैं. There was a conscious action कि let's make a blog on rock and roll.
Yes.
I seem to know more about rock and roll
And
history.
this was like on the flight, on the train, on
This
the
was
car?
at Garden of Five Senses or Six Senses in Kashmir.
Ah,
वहाँ पे
okay.
गार्डन में तो और कुछ नहीं है distracting, वहाँ पे
Yeah,
वाईफाई
yeah,
भी नहीं
man.
आता.
Nature has something about
हाँ,
it, right?
तो मैं बैठा हूँ, मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि एक ब्लॉग बनाते हैं, क्योंकि आजकल आसपास रॉक एंड रोल का ना ज़्यादा लोगों को पता नहीं है.
पता नहीं
Everyone seems to just
Stick to like R&B and pop
R&B
and
तब
everything.
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक म्यूजिक बहुत आ गया
EDM
था,
काफी आ गया था,
पॉप
yes.
था,
Pop तो
you know,
था, yeah.
everyone is listening to like Looney Tune music, like not I'm joking, every kind of music is good, but ये मैं अब समझा, उस
Yeah,
वक्त
yeah.
मैं यही सोचता था, ठीक है. So now I'm like, okay, what will be a cool name for like a
Blog,
rock and
yeah,
roll
rock and blog.
page, है ना? तो मेरा नाम आदित्य कुमार शर्मा ही था Instagram पे,
Yes.
that was my main ID.
Yeah.
फिर मैंने सोचा what would be a cool name, फिर मैंने कहा कि अच्छा what genres do I like? Like I like rock and roll. I listen to a little bit of hip hop. तो Lil Wayne था, Eminem था,
Yeah.
I listen to a little bit of hip hop and electronic music सुनता हूँ.
Yes.
Now, what kind of genre is this? What's the mood? ठीक है, तो अब chill आ रहा था दिमाग में, कुछ आ रहा था, but then मैंने like how does society see it? अब तो एक रॉक एंड रोल का बंदा आ रहा है फटी हुई जीन्स एंड ऑल, लंबे बाल, ठीक है, काले चश्मे पहन के रात को घूम रहा है, ठीक है, व्हाट वाइब डू यू गेट? शेडी, इंडिसेंट वाइब। तो मैंने कहा कि ब्रो इंडिसेंट इज अ गुड नेम, है ना? तो मैं कहता हूँ दैट इंडिसेंट जॉनरा, क्योंकि जो भी जॉनर्स people are thinking of a subculture, yeah, which is not the status quo, that will represent the brand. तो मैंने लिख दिया that indecent genre, तब से वो हो गया। फिर मैं blog करने लगा, post करने लगा, this happened in rock and roll history, this happened in rock and roll history.
Interesting.
And that came to be, and then indecent also became very easy for me to replicate that IP.
Correct, yeah.
So
because indecent is sort of like a quality, right?
हाँ,
it's not a particular thing as such.
तो jewelry brand हो गया indecent jeweler,
yes,
juice brand हो गया indecent juice,
indecent juice,
और मेरे clothing brand हो गया indecent wear, है ना? And motorsport हो गया indecent motorsport. So it very,
it sort of rolls of the tongue as well. It's not very like, you know, hard to say as well.
And record label TIG Prod, or Creative House, that indecent genre.
Sorry, sir?
Creative House, that indecent genre. The overarching thing.
Man, you have like 10 different things going on. So tell me this, like, okay, so like, you know, like you started off with a blog.
हाँ.
This was back in 2015-16. उसके बाद, like did you have this idea of, you know, having all these brands like back then, or was it just okay, this like, you know, just like a summer blog that I'm going to do and just
blog ही था यार. It was that it picked up traction. एक बंदा लोग थे, the World Music Day, something like that, or Day in Music. ऐसे लगी, they sponsored me. तो मुझे बोल रहे थे कि we'll give you around 500 rupees, ऐसा कुछ था, per post or something like that. Crazy. To write about this because you're propagating rock history.
Yes.
मैं कहा okay fine. थोड़ी देर बाद I realized that they are not paying me per post. They're paying me every day.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So then
that was a pretty good job for 16-17.
हाँ, मैंने कहा cool, income आ रही है. And that point of time influencers भी नहीं होते थे.
होते नहीं थे वो.
यार उस वक्त मुझे याद है, genuinely, see bro, now things are different.
Yes.
Reels came, you need to become a content creator, things are very, उस time पे क्या होता था, you genuine people, like people who are in the industry. जैसे एक दो लोगों को याद है उस time पे दिल्ली सल्तनत था एक musician, what do you call it, किरानो करके था, जिसके स्कूल में I studied also for a while. All these guys जिनके actual followers थे, because उन्होंने sunburn करके आए हैं,
they had like actual influence.
हाँ, spinning records के साथ deals हैं, so they were genuine people. मेरा क्या हुआ था, because of this rock and roll I got a American audience to follow me. तो that's how it started. फिर मैंने, and I always wanted to take out an album, कि मेरे को music का एक album निकालनी है on my 18th birthday से पहले.
You used to play the guitar, right?
I still do.
You still do?
Yeah, I know how to play the guitar, tabla, most instruments.
Okay.
Piano, but अब mainly things are gone into production.
Yes.
तुझे वो, तेरे को बस ऐसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत है, MIDI.
Yes.
You can play like as many instruments as this. तेरे को बस scales आने चाहिए.
Okay, yes. Crazy.
Electronic production. Rahman also does mostly electronic production only.
Okay. Crazy.
This is what I learned in KMMC, Rahman School of Music. मैं 9th 10th में था, तब मेरी mom ने मुझे एक kind of summer school भेज दिया था, where I learned electronic production. तब भी that was very new.
Yeah.
उस टाइम पे FL इतने लोग यूज करते नहीं थे, and you know, virtual DJ used to be the deck that people used to play on. Things were a bit different back then. But हाँ, then from there first album निकली, first rock and roll album. Again school में मैं बहुत concentrate कर रहा था चीज़ों पे, college पे sorry. So you know, वो album वैसे ही निकली जैसी थी. उस टाइम पे मैं question कर रहा था reality को, तो album reality को question कर रही थी.
So like a rock and roll
experimental rock
which was about like
experimenting with reality. हाँ.
Damn bro.
Experimenting with reality. फिर उसी वक्त I had met a friend of mine. तो क्या हुआ था, board exams खत्म होने के बाद ना, we had this thing called a party week. Okay. तो बोर्ड के रिजल्ट्स आने से पहले सब गोवा में थे.
Wasn't that the entire college though?
यार कॉलेज नहीं, स्कूल की बात कर रहा हूँ. तो स्कूल में ना 12th के एग्जाम्स खत्म हुए, बोर्ड्स के बाद it was a period, तो उसमें ना सबको पता था कि बोर्ड के रिजल्ट्स आने वाले हैं. Things probably will be good for some people, will not be good for some people. तो उससे पहले just go and party. ठीक है. तो our school step by step, and we step by step ना बहुत new school था. Like जब मैं 9th grade में था तब our first batch graduated from
Okay.
तो उसमें ना काफ़ी सारे बच्चे फ्रॉम अदर स्कूल्स थे. कोई श्रीराम का होगा, कोई मॉडर्न का होगा, कोई DPS RKP का होगा, है ना. एंड तो इट वाज लाइक ऑल रेस्क्यूज. वी यूज्ड टू कॉल देम रेस्क्यूज कि उनको सही टाइम पे इन स्कूल से निकाल के और स्कूल में डाल दिया.
अच्छा, बिकॉज़ लाइक दैट वाज लाइक अ वेरी गुड स्कूल.
हाँ, इट वाज वेरी हार्ड टू गेट इन. I remember I applied in the 5th grade and I got into the 9th grade.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's-
crazy.
I think even right now it's a bit difficult to get in step by step, but
Achha, interesting.
तो उस वक्त ना because there were people from so many schools, सबके circles बड़े थे.
Yeah.
So like मेरी एक friend होगी जो मॉडर्न की है, तो उसके मॉडर्न के बड़े सारे दोस्त होंगे, right? और जैसे मेरी कोई friend है जो श्री राम का है, तो वो श्री राम के उसके बड़े सारे दोस्त होंगे. तो जब हमने गोवा ट्रिप करी, हमने इन सब बच्चे from all the other schools भी साथ में invite कर लिए. There would be around 200-400 kids, bro.
That's crazy.
And we were all like,
for this party week.
हाँ, आधे लोग 18 भी नहीं turn हुए. And they are like, one
We'll
week,
cut that bit out.
हाँ, 1 week in Goa.
Yeah.
ठीक है, and we're like, things went down, but you networked a lot.
Of course.
You met a lot of new people from
and
other.
creative people as well, bro. Because at that time,
उस टाइम किसी को पता भी नहीं, they want to do something creative.
Yeah.
2-3 लोग थे who were DJs, like proper उन्होंने Sunburn में कोई competitions किए थे.
And this is like at like
School
17, 18. Bhai, that's insane.
There were 2-3 people who were like standing out particularly. But rest of them were just passion projects.
Yes.
तो passions जिनके थे उनको line किया. That's where I met one of my collaborators, Anand. So I remember we had gate crashed a party. ठीक है, तो मैं और शिवेश जो हैं हम बहुत बड़ी पार्टीज फेंकते थे. ठीक है, मी शिवेश निर्वाण भी था उस टाइम पे, फ्रेंड ऑफ आवर्स. तो we always used to have a party और 200-400 लोग तो आने ही आने हैं.
Okay, yeah.
We would invite 100 people, 400 would show up. सब एक +1 ले आएंगे.
Correct.
तो उस टाइम पे we had come across this guy called Robin Passy.
Okay.
तो उसकी पार्टी हुई थी and 2 of my girlfriends, like my friends, were invited. ठीक है, तो हम उनके साथ चले गए. वहाँ पे I met a few actors, I met a few what do you call it, musicians. So I think हम washroom में उसके किचन में थे. किचन में हम लोग बात करें कि bro let's make a rap song together, me and Anand. मैंने कहा ठीक है bro, I'll come over to your place. तो मेरे घर पे एक छोटा होम स्टूडियो था, उसमें आया Anand and we recorded a few tracks. 3 tracks record करे थे. Door Shown, Old School and Dismissal. ठीक है, नो आइडिया कैसे रिलीज करना है, क्या डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होता है, क्या नहीं, लर्निंग इट एज वी गो. बट द फर्स्ट वन पिक्ड अप अ बिट ऑफ ट्रैक्शन. साउंडक्लाउड पे डाला था, थोड़े लोगों ने सुना था, मैं कहा कि ओके कर सकते हैं. फिर हमने डिसमिसल को प्रॉपर्ली रिलीज किया ऑन एंड ओल्ड डोर शोन को भी रीमास्टर करके रिलीज किया. माय डैड हैड अ फ्रेंड हु वाज इन बॉम्बे, Alok Punjnani. So this guy, bro, is like runs a proper studio in Bombay. So every movie, most movies, he's been the engineer.
Acha, interesting.
In Bombay studio. Islander studio.
Okay.
ठीक है, तो वहाँ पे he taught me a little bit, guided me initially, helped with the projects. He was on mixing engineer and production भी कर रहे थे, because at that point in time skills ही कितने थे bro. आधे loops उठाए हुए हैं Logic Pro से, आधे इधर उधर डाल रखे हैं, हमें पता ही नहीं flow क्या होता है, writing क्या होती है. You know, of course we were doing little but कुछ idea नहीं होता था. He guided us, album निकली, अच्छे plays आए. फिर हमने कहा okay let's shoot a music video. तो I was with this guy from school who kind of knew कि कैसे शूट करते हैं. और कॉलेज में भी स्टीफेंस में तब मैं आ गया था, फर्स्ट ईयर आ गया था. तो वहाँ पे मेरे को कुछ लोग मिल गए फ्रॉम द फिल्म सोसाइटी. पिपिन साबू था एंड जेफ था. तो उन लोगों ने कहा कि ब्रो वी कैन शूट. तो मैंने कहा ठीक है, कैमराज रेंट करते हैं. दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में कैमराज है चीप एज हेल. ठीक है, तो वहाँ पे हमने 1-2 हज़ार में कैमरा, अच्छा कैमरा ब्रो, 4D कैमराज रेंट किए और हम आ गए. अब शूट हो गया एंड देयर वाज दिस गाय हु वाज सपोज्ड टू एडिट इट. अब वो कह रहा है भाई मेरे पास लैपटॉप नहीं है, क्योंकि यार स्टीफेंस में ना क्या होता था, 60% ऑफ द पीपल वर कमिंग फ्रॉम माइनॉरिटी सेक्शंस, रिजर्व क्लासेस होती हैं, उनके उधर से आ रहे थे. तो काफ़ी मतलब यू नो देयर वाज अ डिस्पैरिटी बिटवीन पीपल. तो वहाँ पे उसका फोन, तो मैंने डैड को बोला कि ब्रो आई नीड अ लैपटॉप. बट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इन्वेस्ट भी इतना नहीं कर रहा था मैं इसमें में. तो मैंने एक रिफर्मिश्ड लैपटॉप उठाया जिससे अभी हम रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं. वो अभी तक चल रहा है.
That's a MacBook Air, right? Crazy man.
तो मैंने ये जैसी है मैंने उठा के उसको दे दिया कि ब्रो तू उस पर एडिट कर. अब उस बंदे ने भाई 1 महीना लगाया और उसने सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स कर लिए. उसे बाहर से सामान उठा लिया जो उसे करना था, बट मेरा वीडियो एडिट नहीं किया. ठीक है, तो मैं भाई इरिटेटेड कि ब्रो व्हाट द फक. मैंने उसे लैपटॉप लिया, मैंने कहा ब्रो डन, वी आर डन, सॉरी. उसने 2 रील्स बनाई मेरे लिए, एक कुछ ग्राफिक एनिमेशन था तो कुछ था. अब मैं बैठा हूँ, आई शॉट दिस 2 म्यूजिक वीडियोस, कोई एडिटर है नहीं. ठीक है, अब मैं बैठा हूँ. देन वन ऑफ माय ब्रदर्स हु पास्ड अवे दिस ईयर, बाइक एक्सीडेंट, he introduced me to this 2 boys, Vaibhav and Shashi. Vaibhav is the guy you just met, who is running the cinematography aspect of the studio. तो मैंने अक्षत को बोला ब्रो अक्षत I need like editors bro. मैं किसी की शादी के लिए, अपनी बहन की शादी के लिए गया हुआ था वहाँ. तो उसने कहा कि ब्रो let's go. मैंने कहा ओके फाइन लेट्स गो. तो हम गए. अब बड़ा ऐसा था, स्कूल था उनका, ग्राफिक एरा करके कॉलेज था. उधर से इनके फ्रेंड्स थे. ही वाज अ डिजाइनर एंड दीज गाइज हैड लाइक अ सिनेमेटोग्राफी अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ एडिटिंग एंड स्टफ. तो हम गए एक रूम में, खोला धुआं बाहर निकल रहा है, ठीक है। मैंने कहा ब्रो व्हाट, अंदर घुसे, मैं देख रहा हूँ एक रूम के अंदर एक और रूम है, उसके अंदर एक और रूम है, ठीक है, 3 गोट्स खेल रहे हैं। मैं गया, मैं देख रहा हूँ वैभव और शशि ना बैठे में ऐसे लंबे बाल, ठीक है, मेरे भी लंबे बाल थे तब। तो मैं गया, हे ब्रो व्हाट्स अप, सिखाइए ब्रो व्हाट्स अप। मैंने कहा कि ब्रो ये सीन है, कर दोगे? उसने कहा हाँ ब्रो विल डू इट, आप भेज दो।
सो रूम के अंदर एक और रूम था, एंड लेकिन स्मोक पूरे
बाहर पूरा भरा हुआ था, ठीक है। मैंने कहा ठीक है ब्रो कर दोगे? उसने कहा कर देंगे। अब क्या मेरे पास डेटा था नहीं तब, इतना आई थिंक क्लाउड भी इतना यूज नहीं कर रहे थे लोग,
राइट, करेक्ट,
या तो मैं नहीं कर रहा था, व्हाटएवर,
आई डोंट थिंक
कोई कर रहा था, तो उतना नहीं था, या आई वाज नॉट इन इट टू नो अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट वाज क्लाउड और व्हाट। तो मैंने ना वो क्या होते हैं, पेन ड्राइव होते हैं ना रेड कलर का, सैंडिस्क, उसमें मैंने स्पीड पोस्ट के थ्रू वो भेजा, क्या कहते हैं, और वो उनके पास गया, तो उन्होंने एडिट करके 1 हफ्ते में भेजा दोनों। आई लव्ड इट। मैं बालकनी में गया, मैंने वैभव को फ़ोन किया, मैंने कहा वैभव ब्रो आई लव्ड इट ब्रो। शशि को फ़ोन किया था, मैंने लव्ड इट ब्रो, दिस इज फकिंग अमेजिंग शिट। ठीक है, उन्हें फ़ोन और काटे, ये मुझे बाद में पता चला। तो मुझे शशि भाई बता रहे हैं कि जब मैंने बोला था ना अमेजिंग शिट, वो कंफ्यूज हो गए कि ब्रो मैंने कहा कि ये शिट है और इट्स लाइक, सो दैट टेल्स यू कि यू नो लिंगो आल्सो इज डिफरेंट।
या
But since then, Vaibhav and Shashi has worked with most of my music videos.
Yeah, okay.
और अब till date, they are with me.
Okay.
है ना, we work together. And इस रास्ते में थोड़े मैं प्रोड्यूसर से भी मिल गया था, सैम राजपूत।
Yes.
तूने वो गाना सुना है? कौन सा है वो? From Noida only. Ghetto 16 करके एक लेबल है जिन्हें निकाला था। There's a guy called Karam 16, उसके साथ एक गाना आया था, क्या था उस गाने का? I'm forgetting the name.
Okay.
Very famous song. It's like a Hindi song. उसमें बीच में rap भी आता है.
I understand.
So he was
like desi hip hop, right?
So I met him through there.
Okay.
और एक और मेरा दोस्त Alpha's World है. He's also a rapper. तो I kind of saw उसके post में कौन है. तो मैंने देखा कि एक mixing engineer है. तो सैम राजपूत करके, तो मैंने उसे रीच आउट किया, मैंने कहा सैम भाई मैं डाउन करके एक गाना निकाल रहा हूँ, ठीक है, एंड आई नीड समबडी हु हैज़ अ हिप हॉप बैकग्राउंड, बिकॉज अब तक मैं आलोक के साथ काम कर रहा था, हु हैज़ मोर ऑफ अ सिनेमा काइंड ऑफ म्यूजिक बैकग्राउंड, स्कोर्स एंड स्टफ, एंड उससे और बीच में जो था एक सार्थक करके था जिसका फरीदाबाद में स्टूडियो था, ही इज़ द गाय हु फिक्स्ड आवर रिकॉर्डिंग एटलीस्ट इन दिल्ली। तो Sarthak had more rock and roll background, and he was a very superb engineer. But the kind of production I was looking for, Sam से आ रहा था. तो I reached out to him, मैंने कहा करो भाई, डाउन डाला, instant hit, everyone loved it. म्यूजिक वीडियो भी निकाल दी, उसके वक्त we did like an iconography का म्यूजिक वीडियो, छोटे-छोटे स्नैपचैट रील्स को कंबाइन करके म्यूजिक वीडियो बना दी एंड स्टफ। बहुत जुगाड़ू काम करते थे हम तब, ठीक है। देन उसके बाद then it went on bro, और अब जो है वो है, people are listening. I would not say million streams या कुछ आ रहे हैं yet, but no bro, I don't even want to do million streams. हाँ, what I've noticed is कि यार इंडिया की ना ऑडियंस बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी है, ठीक है, और क्या है कि I don't want to play to the masses at all. You only play to that the kind of person you understand, the section that you're from, and the section that you understand, because क्या है कि अब in the end, how do you earn as a musician? Events and merchandise. Royalties तब आती हैं जब तुम बहुत ज़्यादा streams करो, या you have a record label you signed,
काफ़ी सारे artists निकाल रहे हैं।
तो now merchandise क्या है bro? Now you can keep a merchandise for 500 rupees, 1000 rupees, or you can keep a premium merch, of course, right? Like I'm wearing this up, I'm wearing a fucking cap, glasses and stuff.
And so now sell on the brand basically.
So and then sell on the brand value of it, included with the artist value of it.
Absolutely, yeah.
तो मैंने हमेशा ये सोचा कि bro अगर मैं 1000 लोग, जैसे even when I used to do rap gigs earlier,
yes,
ठीक है, अब मैं more commercial gigs करता हूँ, electronic, and I rap whenever I see the time or place to rap accordingly. तो मैंने notice किया कि the kind of crowd that comes, no, is very important.
They're gonna cater to different markets, like because even they have their own followers and everything, and I think
exactly, and the kind of social media traction you'll get.
And I think you want like more of
a more understanding
Gen Z audience as well, in the sense that because like they're so active on social media and
like audience is audience bro. See in the end social media में जो भी हो रहा हो, in the end I care मेरे website पे कितने लोग आए हैं और कितना I am able to monetize on it. Now for example, let's say I'm getting few million views on thing, I'll go pick up a brand sponsor, and the brand will pay me, so that will be a loan. But now bro, I have my own brand. Exactly. Now Indecent Juice I have, Indecent Jeweler I have, my motorsport team. अब ये क्या है कि I'm not gonna pay myself.
Absolutely.
So I need to have a proper कि checkout कितना हो रहा है, how many people are coming, end customer मेरे event पे आ रहा है और वहाँ पे interact कर रहा है, and how I'm monetizing from that. Because in the end, bro, this is what companies want. This
Yeah.
is what you want.
Absolutely, yeah.
In the end, also later, कितनी sponsors कर लोगे bro? After a point, you will have to start your own
I
brand.
mean, sponsors may like it feels like a job as well because like ultimately brand unka hai. Like
तू
you
देखना.
seem like a
Correct,
you know
correct.
like employee basically.
Correct.
Having your own brand, you have like
More
पूरी
control.
equity hai.
See, that is the end goal. That is where
Yeah.
people reach later.
Yes.
That's where.
I was gonna ask you that. Like, why did you start this pehle hi? You know.
Yeah, I'm a little obsessive. I want full control over the
Yeah.
process, and I feel like it's not difficult है नहीं. Like I was having.
I think it's a good thing, Boni, bro. Like,
वो भी
honestly.
भुवन राम का तेरे एक पॉडकास्ट देख रहा था कल. We were
Yeah.
talking to some guy. वो भुवन राम को मैं वो करता था मैनेज. तो उसने कहा कि ब्रो अब वो प्रोडक्शन में घुस गया. तो वो
Yes.
पहले ही प्रोडक्शन में घुस जाता.
That's true. Yeah. Exactly.
उसको वो अपना रोल भी पिक कर सकता था.
Yes.
Of course, money is a contention की. But the only thing is कि you need to know the right people. You need to have the right
angle as well, right?
and the right projection for the brand.
Yes.
You need to have a lot of patrons
Yeah.
to be able to pick up.
So like the funnel right now is that people come to your events, then they obviously sign up to your email list
Yeah,
and everything.
yeah.
Then you obviously, you know,
Yeah, so I'll tell you.
get them closer to the
correct,
ecosystem,
correct,
right?
correct. So I'll tell you two different things. How I working on the model.
Yeah.
एक तो website से directly you're getting people buying. Like for example, the first time I did a T-shirt drop.
Yes.
So it's a very interesting story. I was in Camp 1, Kirano's music school, the one that I mentioned, जो Spinning Records के साथ था.
Yes.
It's in Gurgaon only,
Okay.
Golf Course Road. So there I was sitting and I was like learning Ableton क्योंकि मेरे को Logic आता था.
Yes.
And I understood FL, but Ableton में नहीं आता था.
Okay.
तो Ableton सीखने गया था. तो वहाँ पे एक मेरा दोस्त था ये कुणाल सिंह चाबरा who's doing that podcast I was telling you. So him and he's also a musician, DJ stuff. वो एक genre करके store है in a food place in Delhi. He's
Yes.
there right now.
Okay.
Yes, he's I think he is owner, runs it. I have not really talked to him about how that works basically,
Okay.
but he's there right now. That's his IP. तो he told me मैंने एक टी-शर्ट पहनी थी बिगी की. बिगी नहीं रैपर नोटोरियस B.I.G.
Yes.
तो
yes.
उसमें लिखा था एक फेवरेट लाइन थी all the ladies in the club with style and grace allow me to lace these lyrical douches in the bushes who rock grooves and make moves with all the mommies in the back of the club sipping Moet is where you find me. ठीक है वो लिखा हुआ था. तो उसने कहा
Okay.
did you make this t-shirt?
Yeah.
मैंने कहा नो. फिर मैं घर गया. जैसे ही मैं घर गया स्टूडियो से निकला रखा मैंने और मैं सोचने लगा कितना डिफिकल्ट है टी-शर्ट बनाना. तब तक स्ट्रीटवेयर ब्रांड्स also started popping up.
Yeah.
Kashish's brand Tofel.
Okay.
Dhruw's brand Almost Gods, Jay's brand Jaywalking. Now
Jaywalking.
Jay I don't know that much. मतलब मैं दो बार बॉम्बे में मिला हूँ, इधर
Yes.
मिला हूँ. I gave him a painting of mine and stuff.
Oh, that's
But I
nice.
personally gone and checked out all of their stores before
Right.
it really blew up. है ना?
Right.
One of the first early adopters because of FTC. एक अंबर करके एंड अवनी दे
Okay.
वो बेस्ड इन मालवीय नगर सिलेक्ट सिटी के पास. वहाँ पे एक स्टोर था फॉर द कल्चर.
Okay.
वहाँ पे ना ये सारे ब्रांड्स रखते थे.
Acha.
हाँ.
Like back in the day.
back in the day in 2018 19 19 18 18 19
Yeah.
ठीक है रखते थे और मैं वहाँ जाके इंटरैक्ट करता था. ये सब लोग आते थे इनसे बातें सुनता था. तब CDC was also not open.
Yeah,
अंशित
yeah.
भी वहीं पे आता था. You know all these guys
All
I
these,
kind of
yeah,
उन
new
लोगों को मैं वहाँ
streetwear
देखता था. They were like more elder than me but इतना भी एज गैप नहीं था and we used to talk properly like
Yeah.
friends. तो and फिर मैं you know I kind of got कि this is picking up.
Yes.
This is something like people
it has the
baggy clothes
potential.
have come up because maybe
Absolutely.
my mom used to is working for Adidas, right? So she's a director in Adidas. So you know she used to buy me these shoes पहले, you know sneakers and stuff. Mom ने खरीद के दिया है. Sneakers भी खरीदी थी. Like मेरे जो फुटबॉल खेलते हुए studs लाती थी.
Yeah.
तो I think it came from her.
Yeah.
तो फिर मैं गया and you know moms would always buy your clothes.
Yes.
I think at a certain age तक
Oh, for
they
sure,
used to
man.
buy your clothes or
And
like your parents
and
gifts.
And like we still wear
Correct.
like some of them because they were so
है ना like they used to
चलने वाला है.
they would decide what
5 साल तक चलने
correct.
वाला है
they would decide what your style is.
Yeah.
But बीच में एक point आता है when you're like okay I want to buy my clothes
Yes,
now. तो
absolutely.
उस time था. तो मैं गया मैं देखा वो वाओ ये भी है ये भी है ये भी है overpriced stuff that I bought but I bought plenty of it. Yeezys आते थे तब
Yes.
raffle drops में खड़े होते थे वहाँ भी यार I honestly ना I made so many friends on that raffle drop. वहाँ पे ना मॉर्निंग में 5 बजे लोग चढ़ जाते थे और 5 बजे लाइन ऐसी लगी होती थी ना 200-400 लोग एंड ग्राउंड लेवल लोग.
Yeah.
समझ रहे वो बेच रहे हैं बच्चे
हाँ.
फ्रॉम स्कूल आ रहे हैं और वो मतलब मैं स्कूल से निकल गया था
हाँ,
बेच
हाँ.
रहे हैं कि वो मेरा बोर्ड एग्जाम चल रहा है बट मैं लाइन में खड़ा हूँ जूते बेचने के लिए.
Damn,
You
that's
know,
crazy.
of course
bro.
the hype is died. It's dead now. मैं अभी
The
दुबई
whole
गया
sneaker
था.
culture?
Bro, I would specifically talk about just Yeezys because
Yeah.
अभी मैं दुबई गया था. Bro, Yeezy is something जहाँ पे ना तुम्हें ड्रॉप करने के लिए 5 बजे सुबह खड़ा होना पड़ता था. ठीक है, you couldn't even put your foot in it to check your size.
Right.
You had to buy it.
You had to buy
and
it,
you only
see
buy
that.
one pair. ठीक है, you can't buy 2 pairs.
Yeah.
उस हाइप से मैं अभी दुबई गया जहाँ पे सिर्फ 50% ऑफ था.
Are you serious?
They were just lying in the.
Why do you think that is? Because I think obviously
वो
like
जो
it's
पूरा
just
खाने का जो पूरा हुआ, they're just trying to get
हाँ.
dead stock out, but
Yeah,
and
that's
then
true.
Jordans also bro इतने सारे colorways निकाल लिए हैं कि
बहुत
now
सारे. They basically made it like a fucking rainbow.
हाँ.
It's like, you know, so many things.
and लोग कह रहे हैं कि because people have you know grown up now, like the people that were sneaker heads have grown up, so अब people are trying to go into a more like dress down kind of fashion.
Very
dress up, sorry, dress up.
demure and mindful.
Yeah.
Bro, I think that these things happen in cycles, right? Like
Yeah.
culture in society changes with culture. So like
Correct.
now, like what do you think is the next culture that's coming up in society now?
Bro, I think it all takes cycles. It's about जो रहते हैं, sit there and ride the wave, because they are not the ones that are going behind the hype.
That's
is
true.
hype mass brands कर सकती हैं.
हाँ, of course.
तो जैसे अभी जो है, I feel that these limited edition drops and stuff are gone down, but I will
gone
still
down.
work on the indecent wear model.
Right.
है ना, like for example.
Because that's based on true fans as well, right?
Yeah.
Like long time followers. and
I don't
everything.
care what the world is doing now, bro.
Of
This is my
course.
ecosystem.
You
I
have
have
your own
control over
ecosystem,
this.
yes.
I am designing this.
Yeah.
The moment I start following trends, it'll die.
हाँ, then you'll be like a trend chaser.
Bro, मैं एक दिन, like I said, bro, एक दिन मैं गया स्कूल में, मैंने कहा कि टी शर्ट बनानी है. मैंने कॉल किया, of course, at that point in time निशांत करके था, मेरे स्टीफेंस का सीनियर. He also used to do sneaker reselling and he's a cricketer in his own right.
Okay.
ठीक है, तो he connected me to Dhruv from Almost Gods.
Yeah.
तो मैंने उससे बात करी, ध्रुव ने मेरे को काफ़ी समझा. So he connected me to Amber from FTC.
Okay.
So अंबर ने मुझे समझाया कि इट्स अ फुल टाइम गिग, तुम्हें यही करना पड़ेगा. मैंने उसको बताया मैं म्यूजिक भी करता हूँ, मुझे फैशन में भी जाना है. उसने कहा भाई बेटा ये सब छोड़ो, आपको एक ही चीज़ करनी पड़ेगी, ये सब नहीं कर सकते आप, बहुत टाइम कंज्यूमिंग होता है. मैंने अंबर से बात की, फिर मैंने ध्रुव से बात करी, फिर मैंने कशिश से बात करी, ऑल दीज गाइज से मैंने अंचित से बात की, एंड दे काइंड ऑफ गाइडेड मी अंडरस्टैंड. उस टाइम एक वॉपिंग थ्योरीज करके था, उनसे बात की. सारांश रैब 88 ही वाज. तो देख यार, आई सी थिंग्स लाइक दिस. मेरे आगे जो है, मेरे साथ जो है, मतलब इन माई लाइक नॉट कंपेयर, इज माई what do you call it, in my kind of wavelength.
Yeah, correct.
People that are and then people who are above me and people who are below me, जो अभी start कर रहे हैं अपना brand, or people which are like the status quo, like this is what you want to be.
That's the benchmark, you know.
So if you talk to people now that are above you a little bit in the years of the brand, you learn a lot. And if you talk to people that are with you, you learn your problems. कि like मेरे को अभी like you're sitting, हमारे जो mics लगे हुए हैं, you know, I can understand because I do a sound thing, so I can understand कि वो stress क्या है. So
absolutely.
And then you learn a lot about you कि देख ये कर रहा है, maybe I can do this. Maybe this is a better solution.
You were saying that, you know, these mics are nice, so you can take that.
And then you can give them a solution also.
Yeah.
And जो नीचे से आ रहे हैं ऊपर, अभी the upcoming brands, जैसे Blue Orange blew up. मेरे को याद है कि वहाँ पे the first sneaker festival that I did was in A-Dot.
Okay.
With Delhi Sneaker Festival. Ajit and Nikunj used to run them. Now कुछ उन दोनों का हो रहा है, but that point of time they used to do it. Molecule में करते थे, फिर excuse me, then they went on to this platform.
Okay, yeah.
वहाँ पे bro FTC was there. They were 6x6 उनका baby brand
Yes.
was there, and मैंने अपना लगा रखा था. All booth sizes were the same.
Yeah.
Blue Orange का सबसे बड़ा booth था, but they were the newest probably the newest brand there. उधर से bro, they shot rock. They went crazy.
So how do you explain that?
है ना bro? I feel like perception. Most people, it's perception's the game, bro, for most people.
Like positioning in the way कि
हाँ,
like
हाँ.
that, like they
हाँ
just
कि
position
bro,
themselves at
इतना
such
बड़ा
a level.
पूरे उसमें से उनका इतना बड़ा है.
हाँ.
और उस टाइम पे I think 2 ही slots थे for these VIP things, and
Right.
mostly people that were doing them with them, उनका marketplace stall था. That's what they wanted to do. I did great sales that time I went there. Everyone did, but they probably did an optical sale.
Yeah.
ठीक है कि like this is we are here, right? उसके बाद क्या हुआ? They started the same way bro. मैंने अपने drops करता था. मैं उनको बोलता था कि मैं 25 टी शर्ट्स निकाल रहा हूँ indecent wear की, ये मेरे गाने के साथ निकल रही है, आप साइन अप करो, आपको राफल में पता चलेगा आपको मिल रहा है या नहीं. Now the first time I did that raffle, I did a 25 t-shirt drop after coming from college, I did a perception change. मैंने नहीं कहा कि आप खरीदो, it's on the website.
Okay.
If I would do that, then people would be like, हाँ मैं कल खरीदता हूँ.
Yeah.
ठीक है?
There's no urgency. There's
Correct.
no like.
मैंने 25 बनाया, मैंने कहा आप sign up करो. First time around 2,000-3,000 people signed up.
Okay.
तो मुझे पता चला कि bro, there is a market.
There is a market.
है ना? उनके मैंने उठाए orders. I had no dead stock inventory. जितने उन्होंने मेरे को pay किया beforehand, I went and manufactured.
Yeah.
मैंने ऐसे कुछ 25, 30, 50, 100, 500 ड्रॉप्स करे होंगे. तो अपने इतना पैसा कलेक्ट हो गया ब्रो. और फिर बट ऑल्सो द साइन अप्स वेंट डाउन फ्रॉम 2000. द लास्ट थिंग आई डिड raffle was 400.
Right.
So then I realized कि bro, अब I think I need to get out a collection.
Right.
People are wearing this in मेरे पास एक पिक्चर है, मैं तुझे दिखाऊंगा मेरे फ़ोन पे ऑन माई फेवरेट्स, जिसमें ना वन ऑफ दिस गाय हु इज़ अ गाय हु स्टेज इन नॉर्थ ईस्ट, उसने मेरी टी-शर्ट, आई डोंट नो द गाय,
Okay.
जॉन करके एक बंदा है, he runs a page on Instagram for sneakers
Okay.
for northeast people, because क्या होता है वहाँ तक जूते नहीं पहुँच पाते,
जूते नहीं पहुंच पाते. Yeah.
ओरिजिनल्स हियर करके.
Yeah.
तो इसके साथ मैंने एक डिड अ इंस्टाग्राम लाइव, सो वहाँ से थोड़े पीपल फ्लिप्ड, दे केम टू माई एंड, मेरे भी गए होंगे थोड़े टू हिज एंड.
Yeah.
ठीक है, तो आई थिंक आई गॉट दैट कस्टमर फ्रॉम देयर, उसने मेरी सारी टी शर्ट्स खरीदी हैं
Right.
फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट ड्रॉप से लेके टू द एंड. अब बीच बीच में राफेल में उसके नाम नहीं आ रहे थे, बट आई वाज लाइक ब्रो दिस गाय सीम्स टू बी लाइक कांस्टेंट, मैं से दे देता हूँ, मैं दे देता था. फिर मैंने एक पिक्चर देखी उसकी इंस्टाग्राम पे, तब तो मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे पता चल गया था ही इज होल्डिंग हैंड्स विद सम गर्ल, प्रॉब्ली उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड है, दोनों ने मेरी टी शर्ट पहन रखी है, एंड दे वर वॉकिंग इन एन alley in what do you call it, in northeast.
Okay.
So that kind of
And there's
gave me
a
like
video of that.
हाँ.
Bhai, amazing. Bro.
And I saw a picture on his DP.
Yes.
And I was like, bro, this is cool.
Yeah.
This is
it feels
cool.
it feels
This
it
feels
good,
better than
man.
anything.
Yeah, exactly. When you know that
Yeah.
like somebody out there is wearing what you know, what
Yeah.
like what was just once some idea in your
Idea
head.
in your head. And it was physical because
Exactly.
music is
Energy,
it's there,
right?
हाँ, it's energy. But वो बज रहा है उसमें, but it's not
बज रहा
a
है.
commodity I can
Yes,
hold.
yes.
You know, this juice is something I can
Yeah.
drink and
You
consume.
can drink and consume.
Right?
Exactly.
The jewelry is something I can feel.
You can feel, yeah.
But like music, art, right? I can touch it. It's
can
in front
touch
of
it,
me.
yeah.
But music is films are more like digital.
They're digital, yeah.
So I think I felt like
they're like an experience.
yeah,
right? And
they're
like,
more for the senses
for
than
the
it is
senses.
for you to like interact with.
Yeah. Yeah.
Of course, there's you got AI, VR,
Yeah,
you know, all of
that's
that. So now
true.
you can interact with these things also, but still, it's not as much as you could interact with.
Yeah, and I mean, I think that people will always value that, you know, personal
Yeah.
connection. And I mean,
Fair.
AI, I think AI is also like gonna have like cycles and all, and it's gonna go up, and then I think people are eventually gonna realize, ki, okay, this is also very important.
Fair.
Like
Bro,
you know,
fair.
like online shopping during Amazon.
COVID के वक्त तो bro, I felt like yeah, something like that made me think कि हाँ, the metaverse could be. And bro, the thing is, even when Apple came out with the Visions Pro, I was so
Yes.
fucking excited, bro.
Yeah.
And the thing with Apple now, I feel like yeah, see, up to Steve Jobs not there anymore.
Yeah.
But like, I still feel like थोड़ा बहुत brand identity तो रही होगी ना, कुछ philosophy
100%,
उनकी रही
yeah.
होगी. Adidas लो, जो Adidas का बंदा था, he's also not there anymore. People like my mom and her colleagues are the ones running the ship.
Yes.
But you need to understand कि ना, they only Adidas and these companies ना, they don't invest in now.
They invest,
They invest
in the future. Yeah.
तो देख bro, this is an 11 Pro.
Yeah.
This was my first Pro cam phone that came out.
Yeah.
ये अभी तक चल रहा है. I have my 14, right?
Fantastic,
I have my
bro.
other phones, but this is fucking sustained the time and the design,
Yes.
bro. It still looks like the Mercedes Benz of all fucking. Like,
I like
you know,
I like how you describe
you know,
that.
like,
Yeah. Mercedes
कुछ
Benz. Yeah.
Joule को देख.
Has those curves.
हाँ, Joule को देख.
Yeah.
Joule and iGet. उन लोगों का design was good.
Good. Yes.
It
Absolutely.
was compatible with the Mac.
Yes.
The picture of the Joule in the in a Mac laptop.
Yes.
I think that sold all the pods.
Yeah.
It was not of course, nicotine is easy to sell, but that's what sold it.
Yeah. And like nowadays, there are all these.
Now
Weird
fancy
ass,
ones,
yeah. They're like-
the screens. I don't.
They honestly seem like, you know, toys for kids.
Yeah, some people like all of that. Some people
I'm
just.
sure.
yeah.
I think girls like them more than guys.
I don't know, man.
But then
people
I've
can't
seen-
tell a good product from a bad product anymore.
Yeah.
Is it features?
Do you
Okay.
like? Do you think people have lost taste? Like maybe the culture is just becoming tasteless in a way.
Yeah, I think it's gone more to a utility point of view.
Okay.
Okay, I think people want the most amount of things they can get for the
Yeah.
least amount of money.
Right. Yes.
ठीक है, it's not about कि ये juice best juice है या नहीं. It's not about that. It's
Yeah.
about मैं एक कंपनी से कितनी चीज़ें ले सकता हूँ
कितनी चीज़ ले सकता हो यार?
और वो मेरे को कितनी चीज़ें दे सकते हैं.
ले सकती है यार.
उनका इकोसिस्टम जैसे एप्पल का है. आई वुडंट से द एयरपॉड्स आर अ ग्रेट इन्वेंशन. लाइक आई वाज ट्राइंग टू सी इट. किसी के कान में भी फिट नहीं आते हैं वो कभी
But
कभार.
the ecosystem.
But the ecosystem is yeah,
Oh my
because
God, it's
because
so
it helps
smooth.
you. It helps you कि
you,
मेरे को अब
yeah.
ये सारे कंपनी
I
का
think convenience, right? People want
Yeah,
convenience
people want
at an
convenience, yeah.
affordable price.
like for that projector, bro. I think
Yeah.
that's some Chinese brand's projector. But the
Yeah.
thing was, it was damn cheap.
Yeah.
And it was a laser projector.
Yes.
At that point, that same thing, Epson was
Epson
giving
is,
something
yeah,
very expensive.
Very expensive, absolutely.
Right? So I went with something like utility. It still works, yeah. London mein
At
I've
the
used
same
it.
time, like right now, like you want to start, and then obviously like there will be a time when the Epsons and the fucking all those things come
मैं तुझे
into
एक और
play,
बात
right?
बताता हूँ. My dad said this to me.
Yeah.
It's better to get the top end Creta than the lowest Jeep.
Oh yes, 100%.
तू समझ रहा है?
100%, yeah.
तो
Exactly,
हाँ
bro.
मैं उस philosophy से आता हूँ कि
Correct.
I don't mind spending,
Yes.
but I mind spending for the right things, which the
Yes.
most of the people want to do right now.
I think that's how it should be, yeah.
Yeah.
Like, you know, you. So interesting, bro. Like, like, tell me this, like, you know, like, you have all these things happening at the same time. So, like, how do you know, like, maintain your focus on like one thing, because, like, your mind must be running around everything, like, ye bhi karna hai, wo bhi karna hai, wo bhi karna hai. And like this has been going on for the past 3-4 years now.
It has.
Like indecent wear and everything, and you know, like now you have juices and everything.
Yeah, yeah.
So like, how do you manage everything?
Bro, earlier it was very tough. क्योंकि मैं अपने रूम में बैठा हूँ. I have no
Yes.
structured team.
Yes.
और मेरे दिमाग में
And
ideas
this is
घूम रहे
what,
हैं.
2-3 years ago?
This was before I went to London.
Before you
2
went to
साल
London,
पहले.
2 साल, okay.
Of course, there were people I was freelancing with. Me.
Yes.
But in the end, if I don't get off my ass now,
Yeah.
nothing's gonna happen.
Why did you start this though?
पता नहीं.
Like, what was it within you that, okay, like not just one thing, but like 2 things, 3 things,
यार
4 things,
I
5 things?
loved clothes. बीच में ना
Okay.
because of streetwear I loved clothes and I felt
Yeah.
like यार I want to make my own because I'm not getting the right, like, what will I do? I'll go with someone to like Kashish. I'll be
Yes.
like, bro, Kashish, I want you to customize this for me.
Yes.
Kashish will customize that for me and then I will pay that customized price.
Yes.
Right? So I'm like, bro,
Basically,
might as
yeah.
well
Might as
customize
well
it for
have
me
it your own, yeah.
myself. अगर ठीक है, what happens? Nobody buys my t-shirts. Nobody
You
buy my
will,
pants.
bro,
At
yeah.
least I'll have 15 of those for me
For
in
you,
my closet.
Exactly, bro. And like, you know, like,
yeah.
like gifting purposes. and
हाँ
everything.
हाँ. But luckily people just, you know, they
They do,
reciprocated
yeah,
to it.
absolutely. But no, of course, like उस time पे you have to, you know, think about that.
And the same thing with juice, bro. मैंने alcohol
Yes.
and all, you know, I don't
And
partake.
you started this
So-
like after that, after you
हाँ,
quit alcohol.
हाँ, because
When did you quit alcohol though?
bro, it's been a while.
Like a year, no, 6 months.
I'll tell you one thing. I was 2 years not drinking anything before I went to London. Then London में I kind of started
Went on a
drinking a
bender?
bit. हाँ, not a bender,
A few.
but bro, वहाँ पे
few.
इतनी ठंड है ना, bro.
I
I'm not giving that as a
understand, bro.
reason or not,
No, no,
but
I
like
completely
it's so
understand, bro.
cold, dude. Like it's insanely cold. Like, bro, I was very well read also. मतलब मैं रहता था Trafalgar Square पे. ठीक है,
Yes.
मैं Trafalgar Square पे रहता था, bro. ठीक है, वहाँ से मेरा कॉलेज था कोवन गार्डन.
Yes.
वहाँ से वहाँ तक चलने में ना मेरी हालत खराब हो जाती थी. ठीक है, इतनी
Yeah.
ठंड, bro, बारिश. You know, this is depressing fucking weather there, bro.
Oh, I know, man.
You know, like you.
I think right now as well, like December is
Bro,
it's like
उन्होंने
9 a.m.
एक-
sunrise and then 3 p.m.
I don't care,
sunsets.
bro. I'm not there anymore.
हाँ.
I don't have to think of it anymore. This is not my problem. Like, bro, it was such
Bro,
a.
like everybody says this only about
Bro, it
UK.
was
Like it's
such
so
a-
depressing.
bro, it
like,
was a
UK
good time. I had a
December.
good time.
No, but
Okay.
like November, December, Jan,
हाँ,
those months
it was
specifically.
bro, मेरे को भी ठंड नहीं लग रही, AC on है.
हाँ, and then
We are now in November.
हाँ, yeah, absolutely.
तो मेरे को तो ठंडी नहीं लग रही, bro. मैं तो इसी के साथ सो रहा हूँ because now I'm climatized there. मुझे यहाँ
Absolutely.
गर्मी लग रही है.
यहाँ पे गर्मी लग रही है. The summer
फर्स्ट
months
ईयर
must have
वाज
been tough for you,
हेल.
bro.
फर्स्ट ईयर तो मेरे को इतनी ठंड लगती थी, बट फिर सेकंड ईयर तक विंटर में भी बालकनी खुली है, मैं शॉर्ट्स में बैठा हूँ.
Ah,
You know, because
yeah,
see,
the body
human,
adapts and everything.
human mind and body,
They
it
always
can
adapt.
literally, bro,
Yes.
Kashish, alright, or anybody else. Like, अगर तुम एक ही चीज, he's an engineer and a, what do you call it,
Graphic designer.
and no, he's an engineer and a lawyer. He picked this up
Wow,
on his own.
that's
For
crazy.
example, my dad, bro, he had no formal education in music,
Yeah.
but then he learned his own way.
Yeah.
Human beings, bro, can learn anything.
Yes.
वो रॉकेट साइंस भी सीख सकता है अगर वो बंदा बैठ के ना डेडिकेटली उसे टाइम दे रहा है.
Yeah.
तो मुझे देख, आई वुड नॉट बी द बेस्ट स्टूडेंट, आई वुड से, एवर इन स्कूल
Yeah.
और इन कॉलेज. ठीक है, स्टीफन्स के पेपर्स में मैं लिटरली अपने आप को कोट करके आया हूँ फिलोसफी के. मैं ऊपर जॉन लेनन को कोट करता था, नीचे कांट को कोट करता था, उससे नीचे एक्स को कोट करता था. वो बंदा भी सोचता होगा कि एक्स कौन है भाई.
Axe कौन है?
हाँ bro.
You must have fucking gone home and like been like AKS.
Bro,
and, like,
मेरे को
just
तो
quote everything.
literally I wrote so much crap in my Stephens के papers.
Yeah.
ठीक है, like I would write what I feel like.
Yeah,
ठीक है,
I mean,
क्योंकि- हाँ,
that's
sorry,
your philosophy
sorry,
at
yeah.
that time, right?
Yeah, I would write because स्कूल में क्या होता है,
हाँ.
you have those books.
Yeah,
उसमें
yeah.
आंसर लिखा होता है, perfect answer. वो
Absolutely.
perfect answer replicate करना है.
Yes.
स्कूल में भी मॉम ने बताऊँ क्या किया था, 9th और 12th के वक्त she was willing to quit her job.
Okay.
कि मैं जॉब छोड़ने वाली हूँ. एडास को उन्होंने रेजिग्नेशन डाल दिया था.
Yeah.
ठीक है, उन्होंने कहा था कि मैं अब इसे पढ़ाऊंगी 3 महीने. क्योंकि अगर मैंने इसको नहीं
Okay,
पढ़ाया,
it was
अगर मैंने
like that
हाँ
serious,
हाँ मैंने
yeah.
इसको नहीं पढ़ाया तो
Wow, that's-
he's probably nothing will happen.
Yeah.
That fear was real.
But like you knew that like this is your field even back then, right? Like you knew that
True,
तुम मतलब
true, bro,
creative
but
है.
like,
no, of course parents
you're
का
in
pressure
India.
होता है वो चीज़.
Yeah, you're in
It's
India,
true.
bro.
It's true,
And-
but like bro like I don't feel that that's
Yeah.
ever stopped you from doing something.
Yeah, but see,
you know?
I would say, do your creative stuff, but also excel in everything else.
So you're saying be like
Be an all-rounder.
Be a fucking genius, I guess.
Not a genius. Be an all-rounder.
Yeah.
Don't give anybody a reason to point a finger at you. At all.
But don't you think that sometimes people will point fingers
तो
and you
करो
just
यार,
have to, yeah, you just
but
have
मैं
to
तो
do whatever you
but I'm
want
to
to, you
excelling
know?
everything ना.
हाँ.
आप मुझे point
I
करो, आप
understand.
फिंगर मेरे
हाँ.
मेरे को क्या जा रहा है.
No,
But it was
that's
important क्योंकि मैं बताता हूँ.
Yeah.
I ended up getting a 96 or something like that. 96, 97 कुछ फतेह पार कर ली
true.
थी.
There you go, man. There
मेरे
you go.
reductive 78 थे कुछ, है ना. तो मेरे दोस्त, all of us did good.
Yeah.
We got into good universities and
Yes.
Stephens were a good. यार see, हर area में ना, like be it a Soho House membership or a golf club membership in DLF or anything, quorum, कुछ भी
Yeah.
example ले लो. You need to have certain criteria that you
Of
need to
course.
tick.
Of course.
Even in a relationship, your
Yeah.
partner would have these mental criteria that you need to
Yes.
tick. So you need to be like एक saying नहीं है, jack of all trades is a master of none, but oftentimes better than a master of some. You know,
That's like yeah,
this is
that's
the whole
what came
thing.
to my mind, you know.
क्योंकि
Yeah.
अब now where the world is going is not of, so of course you will need skilled people, all right,
Yeah.
but who are the ones that are going to be ideating?
It's
You need to
true.
know little bit of everything.
That's true.
I know a little bit.
Well read and, you know, like well seen. I mean, there's a saying, bro. It's called skill stacking. I think that's what you mean as well.
हाँ, I think that's what. Yes, that's what I'm
Scott
talking about.
Adams.
Yeah,
said
that's
it
what I'm talking
somewhere,
about. Bro,
you
मैं
know.
पढ़ता सब हूँ, ठीक है.
हाँ.
मैं किसी के नाम याद नहीं रखता.
नाम नहीं
Because then
रखता.
when I say it, it sounds original. समझ रहे? Then Adit said
I
this,
understand.
not
Adit
Adam
said this,
Scott.
yeah.
Because the thing is, I don't give a fuck. People name drop so much.
Yeah.
I don't care. ठीक है, ये मेरी ओरिजिनल बिकॉज यार देयर वाज दिस थिंग इन एस्थेटिक्स पढ़ रहे थे.
Yes.
एस्थेटिक्स पढ़ रहे थे या रीडिंग समथिंग इन स्टीफन्स व्हिच वाज लाइक यू कैन नॉट हैव एन ओरिजिनल आइडिया. ठीक है, तुम कर ही नहीं सकते
That's what some
बिकॉज
philosopher said.
हाँ, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग दिस वाज एस्थेटिक्स में ही था आई थिंक.
Okay.
तो उसने कहा कि बिकॉज एवरीथिंग दैट यू नो इज अदर पीपल्स आइडियाज एंड यू इज कमिंग ऑफ थ्रू यू. मे बी फॉर एग्जाम्पल इसका एक आइडिया था, इसका एक आइडिया था, मैंने उन दोनों आइडिया को
Mixed
डाल दिया,
idea,
बट दैट्स
yeah.
नॉट एन ओरिजिनल आइडिया. उसका आर्गुमेंट ये था.
Like there are just 3 colors basically,
हाँ.
and then there's a million other
हाँ.
colors, you know.
तो
So then what was your?
Bro, मैं तो
say to
pissed off.
that?
I got pissed off. I got up in class and I left.
Are you serious?
मैंने हाँ literally got up in class and left. Bro,
That is
in
some
Stephen
origin.
ना,
That's some origin story,
bro
bro.
was nonchalant. Like Stephen से मुझे फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता
Yeah.
था. मैं जो मेरे को करना था ना, मैं वो करता था.
Absolutely.
मैं देख लेता था, मैं सोचता था उसके बारे में, but I would never care what other people used to think.
Yeah.
ठीक है, I think that gave me a good boost और
Yeah,
confidence
of course.
also.
No, because you were
कि
saying
हाँ,
right कि like लोग point नहीं करने चाहिए, but
हाँ.
then like here you are, you know.
हाँ, but yeah, see that's for business.
Okay.
See, because I think वो नहीं कहते create the art, separate the art from the artist kind of shit. You know, they used to say.
Said by you.
Not by me, bro. किसी ने कहा था. But see, you also don't know who said it, right? But like, I'm just saying, like, you know.
No, I completely understand. I think, but then, what did you like tell the professor later on? when he
Nothing,
probably
bro.
confronted you?
I came to, मैंने ना अपनी logical reasoning ढूंढी इसमें.
Yes.
Logic करके ना एक production software है. उसमें ना loops होते हैं. तो अब Apple का एक law है, एक rule है कि bro, if you play the loop with just the loop, then it's not considered to be original tune. If you take the loop, add another loop, ठीक है, और उसमें तू थोड़ा सा change कर देगा,
Yes.
that is your original composition.
Yeah.
तो मैंने कहा कि bro, if Apple thinks, or like, you know, at least at that point of time, that's what I
That
thought.
there
If
is something
Apple is
original
thinking, then it's original. मुझे टेंशन नहीं लेने की जरूरत, एक philosopher क्या कह रहा है.
You know, I think that I think what you're saying is, I think like me as well, like even I think on the same terms, because I think like ultimately like इस वाले sense से तो like कुछ
कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Bro, इसको देख के कोई बोलेगा ये X है, ये
हाँ,
off white है.
exactly, bro.
तो ऐसे तो मैं कुछ नहीं, ये
It's like bro, ये green है, मैंने यहाँ पे पेड़ों पे देखा था
हाँ,
green
ये
color.
pig. I mean, like.
Yeah, bro. I mean, like again, like
Yeah.
I mean, that's art, right? You have to, you basically like
Trust
bring
yourself,
together hundreds of things together, and like you know.
Yeah. Just don't like, जैसे for the Thar का example देता हूँ.
Yeah.
Thar ने Wrangler, whatever the similarities are.
Yes.
But yaar, it's not the same product. See, if it is offering the same, its silhouettes are same, their histories are the same.
Yeah.
Okay, so I can understand the confusion. But in the end, the manufacturing unit is different.
Yes.
ठीक है, उसका स्टील अलग होगा, उसके बहुत सारे कंपोनेंट्स अलग होंगे जो which is not exact same चीज़ तो कोई भी नहीं बना सकता bro. Even when you're making clothes, ठीक है, 1% of error होता है in your machine line.
Yes.
ठीक है, उनको परफेक्ट करने के लिए ना कितने करोड़ चले जाते हैं. Like people don't notice, like for example, Jaywalk ने टी-शर्ट बनाई है या किसी ने भी ब्रांड ने टी-शर्ट बनाई है, Almost Gods ने टी-शर्ट बनाई है, यार उनका हर पीस में ना एक स्टिच अलग होगा. वो परफेक्ट, आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि होगा, मे बी उनकी मशीन लाइन हो ना, मुझे नहीं पता, बट लाइक इट इज नॉट इजी. फैब्रिक का काउंट हर में सेम होना,
I think that's the
What's
thing that you
possibly
realize like
yeah.
once you're in that field, right?
या हर चीज़ के बारे में ये है ब्रो
हाँ.
लाइक अगर मैं फिर से गाना रिकॉर्ड करूँ अपना
Yes.
सेम सॉन्ग दैट आई
Oh
डिड
yeah.
नॉट बी द सेम
It'll-
मेरी
it'll-
आवाज़
it'll
अब
never-
सेम नहीं
हाँ.
है
So
yours
how do you decide कौन सा वाला release करना है?
ब्रो
You make it listen to your friends and all?
हाँ फ्रेंड्स के पास सबके पास जाता है
Yes.
फैमिली के पास जाता है कुछ फैंस को भी मैं दे देता हूँ
Yeah.
कि मतलब पीपल हु लिसन फैंस कह रहा हूँ पीपल हु
No,
लिसन
why not? I mean, they are
नो
fans. bro.
नो 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 यार फैन के लिए कहाँ वो भी बात है शाहरुख खान हैज फैंस राइट
Shah Rukh Khan has devotees.
Scorsese
bro.
has fans, you know, like too smaller figment, bro, like little flick in the ocean right now to
He's just,
have fans.
he's just being humble.
Yeah,
bro,
no, but
yeah.
उनको सुना देता था, and you know what happened? I trust the process.
Yeah.
मैंने जैसे गाना बनाया ना in the booth will never sound same as the one which is when it comes out.
When it comes out.
क्योंकि
yeah.
4 लोग आ गए हैं, 2-3 प्रोड्यूसर आ गए जिन्होंने हैट्स वैट्स बदल दिए,
Yes.
2-3 मिक्सिंग इंजीनियर्स आ गए जिनने अपने अकॉर्डिंगली ट्यून किया.
Yes.
I just trust the team.
Yeah.
मेरे अंकल हैं is my mommy's brother Vikas. He's the guy who made Queen. ठीक
Interesting.
है?
Okay.
So I remember having a conversation with him and he said कि bro I just make the right team. He
The
doesn't
right
have
team.
a right team. He said कि bro he
Yeah.
doesn't have a proper background. He has a marketing background.
Yes.
He's the one that did UTV Spot Boy and stuff, which was Dave D. These things
Yes,
he was
yes,
involved
yes.
in. Anurag Kashyap used to be first से Phantom सुना है?
नहीं bro.
और एक नहीं आता था first से Phantom. They made Gangs of Wasseypur.
Yeah,
Most of
Gangs
these
of-
films.
yeah, correct.
सो उनके साथ थे उन्होंने कहा कि ब्रो मैं ना सही बंदों को एम्प्लॉय करता हूँ अगर
That's
सिनेमाटोग्राफर
very
है
important, yeah.
cinematographer is the best or like knows his shit so then in the end क्या होता है if your team is good ना your product cannot be bad
Yes.
vision
I
बस
think that's
हाँ.
very important, and I've seen though, like
Yeah.
you have like a very wide team and like but like very specific people at like certain areas.
करेक्ट और थोड़ा थोड़ा जानो हर चीज़ के बारे
Of
में
course.
कि लिटिल बिट ऑफ एडिटिंग आई नो कि मैं बता
Yes.
सकता हूँ मेरे को वैभव को मेरे को क्या चाहिए लिटिल बिट ऑफ लाइक लिटिल बिट तो नहीं बट आई अंडरस्टैंड मोस्ट ऑफ इट बट साउंड के बारे में मुझे क्या चाहिए तो मैं सैम को बता
Yes.
सकूँ कि ब्रो दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ साउंड आई एम लुकिंग दिस इज द
Yes,
रेफरेंस
exactly.
if I'm making clothing with Kashish or I'm making clothing anywhere else,
Yeah.
I understand कि इतना fabric ये GSM इस GSM के बीच के difference या
Yes.
ये stitch और stitch का कि मैं quality तो at least
Yeah,
रख पाऊँ या ये
absolutely.
type का ये DTH है ये DTG है ये screen printing है ये what embroidery है तो मैं
Absolutely.
कि diamonds में kg कितना है at least have the
Yes.
idea कि इस diamond की ये clarity है इस diamond की ये clarity है ये इसको कहते हैं चेन काइंड ऑफ डिजाइन इसे कहते हैं रोप डिजाइन
Yes.
मतलब मी तो बेसिक्स कि गोल्ड का भी प्राइस मार्केट में ये है पर ग्राम इतना है इतना पता होना चाहिए उसके बाद ट्रस्ट योर पर्सन सो इवन इन
Absolutely,
ज्वेलरी
yeah.
आई हैव करण he is the guy who has a shop in Karol Bagh. So he's the guy who I'm partnering with. I do it under my brand, but we make it together. He's the one who
Okay.
sources the diamonds and stuff,
Okay.
cruelty-free diamonds.
Yeah.
And none of those CVV is bullshit, like real
CVV
stuff,
as
bro.
well,
Yeah. And like Moksh, who I do my motorsport
Yes,
thing with.
yes.
He has years of training, bro. बचपन से ही उसके पापा के पास एक टीम थी,
अच्छा,
रेसिंग टीम
okay,
थी.
racing team,
हाँ,
अरे,
तो
crazy.
वो रेड दे मालियाज ये सब करते थे. ट्रैक
Yeah.
पे भी हमारे इवेंट्स होते हैं.
Yes.
BND करके there's a proper
बुध में ना बुध में.
बुध में या there's a
Yeah.
proper community, bro. तो ये
Crazy,
लोग
man.
का तो Moksh does most of my car work,
Yeah.
and we are doing it together. So I help with the vision. I
Yeah.
get the client in, ki bro ये चाहिए because I have a brand, and then we work. He does his own projects.
Yeah.
Same
So
thing,
among
bro.
all these like certain brands that you have, who is the favorite child?
Bro, I have my favorite child is my ecosystem. I'll tell you why. I'll never be the best car designer. Never be the
Yeah.
best designer, clothing designer. I'll never be the best music producer. Because best क्या होता है किसी को कुछ नहीं पता. तेरा बेस्ट अलग होगा,
Of
किसी और का
course,
बेस्ट अलग होगा.
it's subjective.
My power and strength is my community.
Like that whenever somebody comes into the ecosystem, indie
Yeah,
scene ecosystem,
yeah. That's
he'll
my
have
strength.
10 different things to
Yeah,
do.
that's my strength. I need to play and understand and give back and love to my community.
And like how are you doing it right now?
Bro, I do events for everyone. I
Okay.
give special access to people.
Right.
This way of like sharing my music with a few people, selected
Yes.
people who are not my friends or immediate family.
Okay, yeah,
You know,
right,
for example, juice is happening.
Yes.
Sometimes I don't even charge here. I give my juice out to people. Like my neighbor Prithvi, right? वो मेरे सामने ही रहता है.
Okay.
Bro, he was one of the first test dummies of the juice.
He didn't even know what was gonna happen.
No, yeah, I did, like he or like some other people like
Yeah.
मेरे दोस्त थे like Moksh
Did
me.
you did you have to sign an NDA?
No, nothing.
Or like sorry, NDA,
No.
that clause, okay,
No,
which
no,
was
nothing,
obviously you
nothing.
would be responsible.
You know, I've
for that.
started doing it now.
For the juices. and
Not
everything?
just juice, for everything. पहले ना मैं ये NDA sign नहीं कराता था.
हाँ,
There were no
yes.
proper like कि this is my IP. But now I've started doing it because I feel like
जितना
it's
early
essential.
करोगे उतना अच्छा है
Yeah,
basically,
yeah.
because like you never
हाँ.
know when something pops up and then you
yeah,
have to, like,
I feel like verbal
handle all this.
contracts unnecessary. verbal contract should be
Yeah.
the thing.
Like
people are
ideally,
nice, yeah.
like honestly, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Like
If people are nice,
ideally, like
yeah.
that should be there. But again, then again, you know, like you never know, man. That's obviously there.
Yeah, verbal contracts I feel like are a respectful thing. जैसे मेरे landlord और
It's
मेरे
like a
बीच
man's
में
word,
हाँ,
right?
हाँ.
You gotta
Yeah.
honor it, but then you know, some people don't always do it. But then again, maybe that's not the right person that you should be in business with.
Fair.
If you
This is
if you
what I
need
believe.
if you
Yes,
know,
yes,
yeah,
yes.
if you like need a paper contract.
Bro, तू भी ना मिलेगा ना लोगों से in life. You'll understand there are certain people that talk about money first, than ideas. There are certain people that talk about ideas first.
Ideas
Of course,
first.
money is important.
No,
सब
but
कुछ
you
जरूरी
get the thinking of there, right? Like you know
Yeah.
that okay, like what is this guy's first priority?
Yeah.
Immediately, like what is he more passionate about?
And then automatically,
true,
you know,
man.
this is my relationship with this individual.
Yeah. No, honestly, even I I've invested in a couple of businesses and I have never had a contract because I feel that अगर मुझे contract चाहिए,
तू
then
invest
why
कर
do
रहा
I
है
even?
तू invest कर रहा है तो थोड़ा तो रख have some paper. But अगर तेरा company है
No, I understand
तो
that,
फिर
yeah,
अलग
but
बात है.
see, one is with like a very good friend, and the other is like a mutual friend.
Then
and
it's
then,
fine,
I mean,
yeah.
that's like एक में like we have some paperwork, but again, like I know that if anything happens, then that's not gonna mean shit in the end.
Yeah, true.
Because look, man, like you know, paperwork and legal and court, they can just go on and on.
See,
You gotta have that.
Yeah.
you
See,
know,
I have
trust.
a loophole through this. Okay, what I'll say is,
Yeah.
be the one funding it.
Yeah.
Be the one with the vision.
But
Work
don't-
with this. Don't try to make it half and half.
Yeah, exactly.
है?
Yeah, you
Yeah.
have to have.
And own the
lines
IP.
or lines.
Own the IP.
Yeah,
Work on
absolutely.
partnership.
Absolutely, yeah.
That is a good way to not get emotional
Yeah.
things.
See,
Yeah.
how I do is that I basically put the money and then like there's like a partner that like works.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
I'm like hands off the
Yeah,
business.
they're skilled ones.
Yeah,
You
because
were the
they're
ones
better
that are
at that.
getting in the clients. Because see, if
Absolutely.
you're not doing that and he's doing that only,
Yeah.
then he's the one building the business, not you.
Yeah, even
You-
with the
yeah.
you know, it's funny you said that.
That
the
it's not your
emotion and
business.
everything.
Yeah.
And even the like this whole emotion and everything.
Yeah.
Even I have a similar vision with the you know with the whole podcast.
Hmm.
जैसे तूने कहा ना कि like even you don't care if the podcast goes like a sorry the brand goes to like 1 million views, you know, like music. I think I'm on the similar page. Like I don't really care about whether this podcast goes viral or not.
Yeah.
I just want to have like you know my audience base and like people who
Fair.
vibe to that.
Fair.
And I think you also fit in that. Like
Yeah.
you know people like us who are like not just again like I say it a lot, but sticking to the path laid out for
True,
them, you know,
true.
by birth.
True.
Doing
And
the out of the
support, bro.
ordinary.
Support each other. Like
Yeah, absolutely, man. I
the
think
thing
that's-
with Tofil and home
Yeah.
ground, right? The relationship we have, we supported each other.
Absolutely.
Kashish has supported me with the space. In
Yes.
fact, most people don't know this. This space, I don't pay rent for this space.
Okay.
I only pay electricity and maintenance. That's
Okay.
it.
Yeah.
Kashish wanted me around. We were
Yes.
friends, and you know,
Yes.
I help him with a few things. He helps me with a few
Absolutely.
things, and that's how collaborations need to work, bro.
Yeah.
Most these set collaborations are more like, this is my commodity, this is your commodity.
Yeah, it's-
Exchange it. That's not collaboration, bro.
Yeah, exactly.
That's not a.
collaboration.
That's just
Yeah.
कि मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, तू ये कर रहा है, मुझे इससे ये मिल रहा है, तुझसे
ये मिल
तुझे
रहा
इससे
है,
ये मिल
yeah.
रहा है.
You
खत्म
have to
बात.
be in it for the vision.
Bro,
you know.
just let people grow. Like for example,
Exactly.
your podcast also. I was seeing it on, you know, the reels that you do or like your social media and stuff. And bro, you know, it kind of is like, okay, this is my friend. This is someone. All right, I
Yeah.
know, right? You don't say that we don't say we're best friends or something, but like you know, somebody I know, grown up with. Let's do this. What the fuck? What's
Basically,
the
bro,
yeah?
basically, yeah.
क्या जाएगा, bro? What's the worst of?
Bro, if I'm being honest, I would rather have my friends on the podcast than
have-
some celebrity.
Because
Which is
that
why.
हाँ, वो plant लगेगा ना.
हाँ,
Industry
यार,
plant लगेगा.
Yeah, and it just
Yeah.
feels like
Yeah.
you know more of an interview and like I like to like have a real conversation,
Yeah.
like you know about the person and like you know we obviously caught up after so many years, you know. I mean,
And bro, I also have this thing. I had this thing in Stephens जो मैंने अपने dissertation type दिया था.
yeah,
उसमें था ना कि अगर तुम और एक बंदा एक उसकी किलोमीटर्स कम है, मतलब between where you stay and I stay,
Yes.
the area is closer. You and that person's ideologies would be similar. जितना दूर तुम
Interesting.
in what do you call it distance जाओगे ना,
yes,
उतना बंदे का idea, language, clothes ये सब बदलता रहेगा.
yes, interesting.
Though now
yeah.
in the global world, so most things are done by global trends.
yes,
Instagram, bro, you don't understand how much your algorithm
yeah, it just
shapes
defines
you, bro.
shapes,
Like you
cultures and
don't
everything.
have a
TikTok and
clue.
everything. Yeah, absolutely.
And you know how I do this? बचपन में मैंने क्या किया था, मैंने अपना प्राइवेट अकाउंट देख, आई हैव 3-4 अकाउंट्स. ओके, मेरे ब्रांड्स के तो बड़े अकाउंट्स हैं, बट मेरे पर्सनल 4 अकाउंट है. एक है मेरा दैट इंडिसेंट जॉनर विच इज़ माई पब्लिक अकाउंट, उसमें अपना सारा काम रिलेटेड काम वर्क डालता हूँ, ठीक है. आई हैव अ मेन गाय इंडिसेंट विच इज़ जस्ट लाइक कूल पिक्चर्स थिंग्स दैट आई हैव डन. उसमें ज़्यादा फॉलोअर्स भी नहीं है, ठीक है. आई हैव एन आदित्य कुमार शर्मा अकाउंट, उसमें मेरे सारे acquaintances, फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली एंड नेटवर्क्स हैं. वो पता मेरे लिए क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि ना मुझे समझ आ जाता है 1000 लोग हैं, पहले उसमें 5000 थे, देन इट गॉट बैंड बिकॉज ऑफ इंस्टाग्राम का कुछ समथिंग हैपेंड, लंदन में कुछ हुआ था, वो बैन हो गया. पूरा नेटवर्क गया मेरा, बट आई एम स्टार्ट टू बिल्ड इट बैक. आई कैन सी what people on the ground are thinking and doing.
Yes.
It's very weird way of looking at it.
I can understand what you mean by that.
You know how I know it's the hittest party in town? जब सबकी stories में ना वो party है या वो event है.
Exactly.
और I know कि what is going on social media. अब मेरे को ऐसे पता चला कि नेपाल में कल dogs को celebrate करने का कुछ वो था, क्योंकि सबकी स्टोरी में वो डॉग्स का आ रहा है. इट्स वेरी सिलेक्टेड वे ऑफ कंज्यूमिंग डेटा. न्यूज़पेपर में बताऊँ क्या होता है, कोई कंपनी ने किसी यार वो आजकल ना सब इतना बिकाऊ है ना ब्रो, एवरीथिंग इज बॉट कि वो न्यूज़पेपर पे प्रॉब्ली वो रिलायंस ओन्स दैट न्यूज़पेपर और सम फकिंग बेजोस ओन्स दैट न्यूज़पेपर.
No, for sure. I mean that's like that's why they own it, right? Because they want to control what is being said about them.
Correct. That's why I consume YouTube. I consume YouTube 1 hour or 2 hours in the morning.
Okay.
And 1 and 2 hours before I sleep. क्योंकि क्या है उसका एल्गोरिथम टेलर्ड टू मी. ऐसे मैं वो एलक्स का बता रहा था, या यू नो अलग अलग पीपल है. एक है ट्राइड एंड रिफ्यूज प्रोडक्शंस, वो क्या करते हैं, वो मूवी रिव्यूज करते हैं, इंडियन मूवीज एंड ज़्यादा. अब उसकी बड़ी ऑडियंस हो गई है, पहले उसकी इतनी ऑडियंस नहीं थी. 400 व्यूज़ आते थे, 500 व्यूज़ आते थे. तो ना और तो वो मेरे लिए क्यूरेट हो रहा है मेरे लिए. वो दैट हैज़ नथिंग टू डू विद द फैक्ट मेरे दोस्त क्या देख रहे हैं.
Right, yeah.
That only has to do with the fact कि मैं क्या देख रहा हूँ.
I think you want to see what people are watching so that you know that what is the perception of, like, you know, culture. That's
Instagram.
Culture, हाँ. Instagram
पे दिखता है.
Like culture किस तरफ जा रहा है, like, you know, what's the people's emotional states right now.
And what people are doing. Like, bro, this industry, the creative industry, and world in general, bro, functions on not just you. When you understand the fact कि तू सिर्फ exist नहीं करता, you're not the star of this movie. There are other people who are the stars of their own movies. When you start seeing an individual as them living this life too, that's when you're able to actually.
So you became a director, huh? So like you basically transitioned from being the main actor to like being the director, who like.
Fair. That's a good way to see it. Yes, that's a good way to see it, because then you understand the set.
The set, yeah.
You understand the people that are on the set. You understand what people who are behind the set.
Yes,
so
absolutely, absolutely. It's bro, like an entire thing.
It's like, you know, people give so much shit to centrists. Ki bro, if you're a centrist, you're privileged. You have to be on the left or the right. ठीक है? See, yeah, bro, I'll be very honest with you. ठीक है, bro, I understand my privilege. I understand the privilege of people with me, and you, I'm sure you understand your privilege. I understand my privilege as a male person also. Because एक economic privilege और educational privilege के आगे एक you know वो privilege भी होती है, and there are बहुत kind के privileges होती हैं, petty privilege भी होती है, ठीक है. और सब कुछ समझ के मैं एक statement बोलूँगा, यार I understand कि on ground कुछ हो रहा हो, शायद directly में कोई effect नहीं करती. Maybe that gives me a better point of view to tell what is actually happening.
Of course.
Because if I'm too like in it कि वो चीज़ मुझे इतनी directly affect कर रही है ना, I will be forced to make an opinion. When it is not affecting me, I can maybe, you know, realistically, objectively, like keep.
Of course.
Number line देख ले, -1, +1. 0 is your middle. अब अगर एक बंदा -2 ले रखा है और एक जगह +1 ले रखा है, middle तो तू उसका तब भी ढूंढ सकता है.
Absolutely.
But that would be a biased middle. That is where most human beings fault in understanding objectively. Because उसके लिए वो middle है, क्योंकि उसके बचपन से उसके पेरेंट्स ने उसे कुछ certain तरीके से raise
किया. And like, you know,
है.
life experiences, friends, and like whatever they consume. Even like, you know, like Instagram and TikTok, like the reels, they are influencing people so much.
And unka that's why gets, what do you call it?
Yeah, man. Yeah. I mean, bro, I just feel that like we don't need to have an opinion about like everything, you know, because like then like what the fuck are we?
True.
Like imagine like see like whenever somebody has an opinion about something else, that means that they're not living their own life, but they're basically critiquing on somebody else's life.
Fair.
And I think that nowadays the culture that's happening, it's more of, you know, people are trying to just catch on to the current popular thing and just give their own opinion. But what if they instead just like, you know, thought about what they can do to fix that? Like maybe if
they don't have to fix
not
it.
Right now.
They don't have to fix
yeah,
it.
but then agar wo log na their opinion उसके बारे में, then like why are they giving their opinion
यार,
if they don't even have a say
See,
in the matter?
most human beings, bro, don't know. यार देख, again I'm doing it more philosophically.
No,
I'm
it's
going-
fine, bro.
But
Why not?
most human beings don't
Let's do
know
it.
what their purpose is.
Yeah,
और
for sure, for
purpose
sure.
क्या होता है? क्या मेरे डैड ने कंपनी, किसी के डैड ने
Existence,
कंपनी
right.
बनाई,
Yeah.
उसकी कंपनी को मैं अब आगे ले जा रहा हूँ, आई एम अर्निंग फ्रॉम दैट, मेरा फूड ऑन द टेबल आ रहा है, एंड दैट्स व्हाट माय पर्पस इज.
Yes.
तो पर्पस छोड़, बस लेट्स फोकस ऑन एक्शन.
Okay.
3-4 चीज़ें हैं which I feel like if every human being does will be good. First, be a good person.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Bare minimum, bro.
Karma, right?
हाँ, be a good person. Now you can't be a good person to everyone,
Of course.
because sometimes you will take a decision in a certain light that might be taken or construed in a way where you could be the bad person in somebody's narrative.
Of course.
But try to make most objective decisions. Try to make sure that the least amount of harm is coming to anybody from an action that you're taking. If ideal cases की किसी को कुछ नहीं हो रहा, but in case किसी को कुछ हो रहा है, then the least amount of problem
intentional भी नहीं होना
happens.
चाहिए. Like
Yes.
you should have, you know, good intention, and like it's almost like, you know, like you're basically walking through a forest and you step on some ants.
Yeah.
Like you would not want to.
Yeah.
But sometimes it just
Try,
happens, you know.
try,
Yeah,
हाँ,
try not to.
try
yeah.
to see the ants also.
Yeah.
I think I was giving this example to my girlfriend also the other day. We were
Okay.
driving and I was saying कि अगर एक ant मेरी गाड़ी के नीचे आ गया, I can't control that, right? Because that consciously I'm not doing it.
Exactly. Yeah.
है ना? So just be nice in your own power, जितना तुम कर सकते हो. Of course, you are also a human being. I'm also a human being. So to a certain extent, I'll also be biased.
Yeah.
Second thing I feel is यार, support your people first.
Yes.
मैं अब कुछ Gucci, Prada कुछ नहीं पहनता. मैं बाहर except Adidas, because my mom works for Adidas, I have loyalty towards the brand.
Absolutely. Yeah.
I do, because it gives food on my table,
Yeah.
on our table. So इसके अलावा I don't wear any international brands. I wear
respect that.
homegrown brands.
I respect that.
Yeah, I
yeah.
wear homegrown brands. Be it sustainable, non-sustainable, I wear them.
Yes.
Because they are people that are generating economy and money to India.
Into India. Yeah.
जो ये मैंने 2 साल अंड में काटे हैं ना ब्रो, आई लर्नड अ लॉट. मैंने कोडाक फिल्म सीखा, आई
Yes.
वर्क वहाँ पे, मैं शो हाउस में बैठा मस्त,
Yes.
मैंने वर्ल्ड व्यू ले लिया, मज़े कर लिए, ठीक है. बट मैं एडिटिंग भी सीखा, एविड व्हाटएवर. मैं प्रोफेसर गाय हु मेड वंडरवॉल द म्यूजिक वीडियो.
Oh,
मैं
sweet.
काफ़ी लोगों से मिला. आई मेट पिंक पैंथर्स डॉटर, यू नो, लाइक स्टफ लाइक दैट, यू नो. And I met Dyson family. काफ़ी लोगों से, वो तो नेटवर्क यार सेम ही हो जाता है. You start roaming around with that same because society
Absolutely.
understands society.
Absolutely.
वो
Yeah.
पता चल जाता है. But bro, if that money I would have put in my economy, that would have been much better for everyone. And the thing is, India में वो बात है,
Yeah.
है ना? वो कर
Absolutely.
सकते हैं. हमें बस somehow bro we need to put.
Bro, I think we just need
Yeah.
enough people like us who
Yeah.
just
Education
who
करो
even,
पहले.
who even think like that.
Yeah. Focus on education.
Yeah, education
हाँ,
is there. but
focus
I
on
think
education, then
that-
focus on healthcare, then focus on welfare.
Hmm.
पहले आप सिस्टम पढ़ाओ कि पढ़ा रहे हैं, बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं, डॉक्टर्स बन रहे हैं, whatever बन रहे हैं. Those are essential fields, bro.
Yeah.
Alright, government हॉस्पिटल्स को फंड करो,
Yeah.
ठीक है, एंड
True
गेट देम टू अ लेवल एंड अट्रैक्ट द राइट एनर्जी एंड द राइट
Yeah.
क्राउड. आप उन्हें थोड़ा फंड करो गवर्नमेंट के पैसों से, हमारे पैसों से, राइट. और उसके बाद गेट द हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम अप. अगर आप हेल्थ केयर दे रहे हो तो बच्चे स्कूल भी जा पाएंगे, वो हेल्थ भी नहीं होंगे, दे विल नॉट फॉल आउट ऑफ
That's
क्लाउड्स
true.
एज मच.
That's true.
गिव फ्री हेल्थ केयर.
Like, but these are like things that are going to take 5-10 years, right? But I think
Bro,
immediately, हाँ वो तो
हाँ.
होगा ही. But I'm like, तू मुझे बता, like let's say in the next 2-3 years, अगर मुझे बहुत बड़ा impact बनाना है in this country, then what is the way to do that?
ब्रो मैं देखो बताता हूँ हाउ आई थिंक.
Yeah.
ओके, एवरीथिंग इज स्लो प्रोसेस. और ये सब कुछ देखो लग रहा होगा, ये पेंटिंग, ये कपड़े अब से एक दिन में नहीं होता ब्रो. दिस इज लाइक कंपाउंडिंग.
Yeah, it does take.
Yeah.
Of course, see.
800
like, that
पेंटिंग्स
is there.
बनाने के बाद अब मैं सोच रहा हूँ मैं
Yeah.
पेंटिंग बेचूंगा.
Yeah, see, compounding is there, but what I'm trying to say is that, like, there are things that you do today and that will have the compounding effect 10 years on the line, and things that you do today as well, but which have the results in like 2-3
So let me
years
give you
down
an
the line.
example.
Yeah.
ठीक है, I try to be like I have this thing कि homegrown people. अपने
Yes.
लोगों को support करो.
Yes.
तो I whenever make a song or a thing, I
Yeah.
try to keep that in mind. ठीक है. Now let's say I'm 25 right now. ठीक है. In a few years I'll be 30, 32. By 30, 32 I want to be very well settled in this industry.
Yeah.
Because soft power. How do you change society? Soft power and hard power.
Yeah,
Soft
absolutely.
पढ़ाते थे स्कूल में और कॉलेज में भी. Soft power is your world view,
Yes.
क्या चल रहा है, trends and stuff. If I'm in the media industry, I'm already doing it. Why did I go to film school? I went to film school because I thought that India में the fastest way to get your ideas across is through Bollywood. If I am
Right.
making a film, I can set an idea, a tone, a sound, and then also sell products.
Yeah.
अगर वहाँ पे कोई ये सोफा जैसे हमने बनवाया है, Kashish and me and all,
Yes.
we'll make that म्यूजिक हो रहा है वो हमारे आर्टिस्ट का होगा. व्हाट डू यू
Absolutely.
कॉल इट, वहाँ पे सेट पे अगर जूस बिक रहा है, जूस दे रहे हैं वो हमारे
No,
इंडियन
honestly,
जूस
yeah,
होगा.
this is like a very great ecosystem.
You get it?
honestly. Yeah, this
So
is honestly
it's
amazing. Yeah.
एक बार I'm writing a script also right now. I'm
For-
writing about my
yeah, you
school
told me,
life,
yeah,
college
yeah.
life and my master's
Yes.
life. And I'm going to end it at the point जब मैं भी दिल्ली में आ गया हूँ.
Yes.
Right? And then maybe a season happens, doesn't happen. But I'm writing it daily. मैं बैठा हूँ उस पे.
Fantastic,
ठीक है?
yeah.
So अब ये करने के बाद soft power control है. जो भी
Hmm.
मेरी चीज़ें कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं उनका एक थॉट थोड़ा बहुत चेंज हो रहा है.
Yes.
आई फील सो, अगर वो इकोसिस्टम में है थोड़ा बहुत हो रहा होगा.
Yeah.
उसके बाद क्या करना है, वंस यू कलेक्टेड सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ कम्युनिटी रीच, ऑलराइट, दैट्स व्हेन यू पुट अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ फंडिंग. होपफुली
Yeah.
तब तक फंड्स भी बहुत अच्छे आ जाएंगे. And I want to get into building houses, schools and hospitals for the people around us.
Interesting. Okay.
My grandmom, she does a lot of social service. उनके school है, hospital है DU में, and like stuff like, you know, they do give social service
Yeah.
back, and she's entailed it to in me quite a lot. My mom also, you know, when COVID happened, बड़े सारे, you know, घर से पैक होकर चीज़ें जा रही थी. And जब मैं
Yes.
बचपन में था, मेरा बर्थडे भी आने वाला है, right? So मेरे बचपन में बर्थडे पे we used to always go to an orphanage first. Orphanage गए हैं, बच्चों को अपने
interesting.
पुराने टॉयज दिए हैं,
Oh,
पुराने कपड़े
wow.
दिए हैं.
That's
First
nice,
cut a cake with them and then go home and then cut a cake with your family and new toys will come.
Wow.
तब मेरे को वो पॉइंट समझ नहीं आ
That's
रहा
a
था.
very yeah. That's a very important lesson.
तो ये सब कुछ, और डॉग्स के लिए इतना करते हैं. लाइक माय
Yes.
गर्लफ्रेंड राइट नाउ, शी डज
Yeah.
सो मच फॉर पीपल एंड डॉग्स,
Oh,
है ना.
wow.
सो
Yeah.
that's entailed in me. तो मेरे अंदर भी आ गया कि maybe not a politician. I'm not saying I want to do a political run, but I want to help India and my society. Delhi at
Yeah.
least, in small scale, लो Delhi, Bombay, a few other places. I stayed in Bombay also for a while.
Okay.
तो वहाँ पे I want to just help the communities. कि
Yeah.
अगर स्कूल दे दिया, कपड़ा दे दिया, घर दे दिया, वाईफाई दे दिया, इंटरनेट दे
Yeah.
दिया, पानी एंड हेल्थ केयर दे दिया, दैट इज गुड इनफ. एंड प्राइवेट मनी कैन डू दिस ब्रो. एवरीवन हैज मनी ब्रो.
Of
दिल्ली
course,
में
yeah,
इतना
yeah.
पैसा है ब्रो. मैं नाइट लाइफ में होता हूँ, मैं देखता हूँ ब्रो, डे उड़ा रहे हैं
spend
भाई.
like lakhs and lakhs on alcohol.
लाइक think about it bro. I'll give you a small example. My friend Shivesh and me,
Yeah.
उसके डैड के पास एक SLK होती थी, टॉप रॉड ब्यूटीफुल कार. ठीक है, हम लोग निकालते थे उसे ना, लेके जाते थे. तो हम लोग रेड लाइट पे हैं, फुल ब्लास्टिंग म्यूजिक स्कूल में ना, फुल ब्लास्टिंग म्यूजिक, एंड ना अ पुअर वुमन कम्स टू बेग. Both of us felt bad, but there was nothing we could do about it at that point of time.
Yeah.
स्टीफन में तो मैं पैसे भी दे देता था गाड़ी पे. डैड सैट मी डाउन एंड सेड, बेटा देख, अभी तू बहुत स्मॉल चेंज कर सकता है. 500 रुपीज़ का नोट दे दिया, या अब मैं आई कैरी बिस्किट्स इन माई कार, तो
Yeah.
समबडी से मैं बिस्किट दे देता हूँ.
Yeah.
मनी नहीं देता, बिस्किट, फूड,
Right.
वाटर. सो
yeah.
तो अभी छोटा चेंज कर सकता है, बट अगर तुम अपना काबिल बना लेना अपने आप को, देन यू विल बी एबल टू डू स्केल मास
Yeah.
चेंज. लाइक टाटा फॉर एग्जाम्पल,
Absolutely, man.
रेस्ट इन पीस.
Rest in
बट यू नो,
peace, yeah.
तो कर सकते हैं, एवरीवन कैन डू इट. बस ये करते तभी हैं जब उनका फ़ायदा होता है. जो
That's
अगर
how, yeah.
जल्दी समझ जाए तो बेटर है, क्योंकि जो लोग अपनी आर्ट गैलरीज में पेंटिंग्स देते हैं वो भी टैक्स राइट ऑफ ले रहे हैं. जो अपने स्कूल जो हॉस्पिटल्स बना रहे हैं उनको भी टैक्स राइट ऑफ्स मिल रहे हैं.
course,
जो
yeah.
एग्रीकल्चर में घुस रहे हैं, लैंड में घुस रहे हैं, उनको भी राइट ऑफ्स मिल रहे हैं. कोई कुछ करना ही नहीं चाहता unless and until वो एक्शन इज रिजल्टिंग इन मॉनेटरी. ब्रो
Well,
करो
we
अच्छे से,
gain.
गेट गुड
Yeah.
फेथ ऑफ पीपल. आफ्टर दैट हेल्प पीपल, एंड आफ्टर दैट ब्रो, you know, I would want to grow the brand not just nationally, internationally.
So what is the vision with like Indecent?
Indecent के IPs हैं अपने separate,
Yeah.
और Home Ground is another IP. Home
Okay.
Ground is an ad agency, event agency, photo studio.
Yes.
You know, it does be recording for. This is for everyone else. What service I can provide to them.
Right.
Indecent is my own selfish motive.
Right now, you just want to be like in as many buckets, you know, like as you can be, right?
they
You
all
want to be-
interconnected, yeah. People don't see it like that, but I do. You know,
Mm.
I want to keep an ecosystem where I am
And you want
connecting.
to like grow the entire
Yes.
ecosystem, right?
मैं उनके सेट पे था गुड बाय के लिए या सुपर 30 के लिए. यू नो, आई
Yes.
सॉ कि अलग अलग लोग, एंड दे वर लाइक 800,000 पीपल ऑन सेट ब्रो. मैं देख रहा हूँ सबका एक अलग अलग जॉब है, एक अलग अलग टीम है. तो वो अलग अलग टीम तुम क्यों नहीं बना सकते? प्रोड्यूसर से पैसा उठाओ,
Yes.
ऑलराइट, अपना वो प्रेजेंट इट इज द बेस्ट पॉसिबल वे.
Absolutely, yeah.
डायरेक्ट स्टोरी एंड नैरेटिव को भी एक्सक्यूज मी देख लो, एंड देन टेक इट आउट, एंड देन टेक आउट अ मैगजीन कि ब्रो, ऑल ऑफ दीज प्रोडक्ट्स दैट यू सॉ इन अ फिल्म इज अवेलेबल फॉर यू टू इंटरैक्ट
Do
विद.
that, yeah.
वो जो गाड़ी उसने देखी थी जिसमें वो उसका स्टेयरिंग व्हील एक अलग तरीके से बना हुआ था, यू कैन परचेज इट फॉर योर कार.
It's true, and I think this is the long term and
Yes.
like more fun way of doing it.
दैट्स
as
व्हाई
well,
5
you know?
years में कुछ नहीं होता ब्रो. यू नीड टू, अभी मैंने
No,
सोच
I
लिया.
know what,
yeah.
like वो वाली बात नहीं. I think even like in this conversation, like the fact that you are, you know, like sharing this thinking with me, I think that's also going to create an impact.
I don't know if I'll
Because
be able
I'll
to
also
do
do a few things. नहीं, of course, you know,
Yeah.
things that these like will impact me, and then even जो लोग देख रहे हैं, जितने भी देख रहे हो, you know, even they'll take away something, and then they'll also do something.
Because it all starts with an idea, bro. or such an idea, and execution on that idea. Most people fail because they're not able to execute.
What do you think stops most people from
यार
doing?
मैं लेड ज़ेपलिन सुनता हूँ या मैं पिंक फ्लॉयड सुनता हूँ, मैं ड्रेक सुनता हूँ, तो मैं उस लेवल पे तो पहुँचने नहीं वाला ना डे वन में.
हाँ.
मुझे बस निकालना शुरू करना है. जो मेरा फर्स्ट गाना एल्बम था, मेरे दोस्त मुझे खुद बोलते हैं, या जो पीपल हैव बीन फॉलोइंग माय ब्रांड फॉर अ व्हाइल, ब्रो उससे तू बहुत आगे आ गया है. बट अब ये है कि मेरे को ड्रेक लेवल पहुँचने में भी टाइम लगेगा.
Of course, and I think like the best part is like getting there.
Yeah,
It's not like
the
oh, you'll
curve,
get
bro.
there
Like
and
people
everything.
talk ना, you're in the curve.
Yeah,
तू
in the
अभी उधर है where your taste like जिमी पेज का एक गिटार था, लेड ज़ेपलिन का सिंगर था. वो जब पहली बार सिंस आई बीन लविंग यू की वीडियो है ना, वो एक स्कूल में बजाने की कोशिश कर रहा था. बच्चे बैठे हुए थे जर्मनी में, वो जब भी स्टार्ट कर रहा था ब्रांड. उसके दिमाग में ना वो गिटार देख रहा है कि मैं ये बजाना चाहता हूँ. वो खुद नहीं बजा पा रहा था. 10 years डाउन द लाइन एक वो परफॉर्म कर रहा है मैडिसन स्क्वायर गार्डन में, हर नोट क्लियर है.
Of course, yes.
अपना जैसे यार ये मेरे क्लोथ्स हैं, they might not be
Yeah.
the best right now, but I will keep on working on it till I
Of
become the
course,
best.
of
But that will
course.
not stop me from creating.
I think that's the most important thing. I think people seek perfection on day one.
And validation.
And
Don't
validation,
seek these
yeah.
things, bro.
Validation
Just,
is a major thing,
yeah.
bro.
For some people, it's essential because they are bootstrapped in a way. So it is essential for them. Ki validation
Yeah.
also gives sales. So
Yeah, but I think that's true. But I think just the fact that people want like approval too much from other
bro, when you're
people.
not worried about the bread on the table, no,
Yeah.
that's when you can be a philosopher.
That's when you can be a philosopher. Yeah.
शाहरुख खान ने भी कहा था किसी इंटरव्यू
हाँ,
में,
कि
है
get
ना?
rich first and then become a
हाँ,
philosopher.
तो ये भी देख, see, he probably took it from this philosopher that I was talking about, but he said it in his own way. तो अब शाहरुख खान ने कहा है,
शाहरुख खान ने
समझ रहे हैं? अगर मैं अभी ये दो
Fancy,
मेंशन नहीं
yeah.
करता तो probably मैंने कहा है, कोई बंदा
मैंने कहा है,
देख रहा है,
हाँ.
you know, seen the podcast and
You
is like,
give away the
Yeah.
you give away the magic, huh?
no, it's not. Okay, bro, who cares? We magic again tomorrow, and then tomorrow. I just have to get out of bed.
Yeah. What what does get you out of bed every morning?
यार I feel like कुछ तो करना है. There are people here जो बैठे हैं यहाँ पे सुन रहे हैं सब कुछ. यार तो कुछ तो उठ के करना पड़ेगा ना मॉर्निंग में. To go do something. Like go fucking create. Bro मेरा तो एक बहुत बड़ी ट्रिप है. मुझे एक बिल्डिंग बनानी है. मैं बहुत लोगों को बोलता हूँ मुझे एक बिल्डिंग बनानी है. I don't know what that means, but I'll make a building, bro, one day. Like बस ऐसे like this is the thing. And उस बिल्डिंग में
Yeah.
फिर सब अलग अलग मेरे भाई बहन बैठे होंगे.
Yeah.
सारे मेरे दोस्त बैठे होंगे.
Yeah.
पार्टी चल रही होगी, सब इंडियन जूस पी रहे होंगे.
Damn, that's
So,
like a
हाँ,
fucking
bro.
indecent party, you know.
Yeah, so hopefully now we are gonna have a party soon.
Oh yes, for
So
sure, man. For
hopefully
sure.
उधर भी सारे indecent लोग बैठे होंगे.
Yeah.
जूस चल रहा होगा. Not maybe on the big scale, building हमारी
Yeah.
नहीं होगी, but building भी अपनी है technically. But
Of course.
मैंने नहीं बनाई building.
You want like the
Yeah.
control and like you want everything to like be your own, like in the sense that जो भी लोग हैं आसपास, they can just be like.
Because then I
okay,
can
this
take
is ours.
liability also for it, है ना?
हाँ.
मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि ये जो भी हो रहा है, ये लोगों कर रहे हैं, but ये सब in the end responsibility मेरी है.
Yeah.
फिर ना टेंशन भी कम रहती है लोगों को.
What do you think is the strongest trait that's led to all this?
Bro, I'm good at convincing people. ठीक
Okay.
है? I'm good at
Yeah.
like, and I'm also good at thinking of good deals. I can tell a good deal from a bad deal. Sometimes I put too much faith on people. I also think कि that they will be able to do what they're doing, but that's okay.
I
But-
mean that gives you the good
yeah,
and the bad, right?
Yeah, but overall, I think I can get interesting people in a room, and I can get interesting things out of people. Like, sometimes they don't know what they want or they can do, but I am able to spot that.
Okay. And was this like this way always, or like this is something that you learned over the years?
Yeah, this just happened, I guess. क्योंकि मैं भी सोचता बहुत हूँ ना कभी कभार.
Yeah.
तो वो नहीं है क्या है उस बंदे का नाम, रिक रूबन. रिक रूबन नहीं, the guy, the long, yeah,
I know, yeah, Rick Rubin ही है, bro.
So कुछ दो
That
है ना, एक
creative वाला guy.
Cuban है, sorry, that's the financer. So
Yeah.
तो वो पता क्या बोलता है? I don't know how to play an instrument.
Yeah.
I don't know how to do
That
anything.
guy's a genius,
I can
bro.
just tell a vibe.
Yeah.
Right, so
Bro, that
maybe
guy
that's
is,
the
like,
trip.
crazy,
I'm on,
yeah.
a little bit. But I know how to play an instrument. But yeah.
So where do you see yourself going, like, let's say in this coming year?
Bro, hopefully not make
2025.
mistakes.
Okay.
Be financially more wise.
What can be, like, what do you mean by mistakes? Like,
यार हर चीज में
isn't
mistake
like,
होता
like isn't it art? Like, isn't it part of the process?
है. यार sometimes it affects other people's businesses also. जैसे
Okay.
अगर मैं event कर रहा हूँ,
हाँ.
if I make a mistake or 2 mistakes ना, that costs somebody else.
Somebody else, yeah.
And that's when I learned कि तो ये थोड़ा कंट्रोल में रखना है, क्योंकि
Yes.
अपने में जो मैं कर रहा हूँ उसमें क्या जैसे अभी मेरी पार्टी है, the alcohol sponsor might come, might not come, but that's my party, so I'm not too stressed about it.
You're not too stressed about
Right,
it.
but if I am doing an event for somebody else, an alcohol sponsor does not come, then that is that's a stress which I put on, and a commitment that I've given somebody else.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm talking about. कि when mistakes कम हो दूसरे लोगों के लिए.
Okay.
मेरे वीडियो जैसा भी अगर वैभव में बैठे हैं हम एडिट कर रहे हैं और हम बेस्ट नहीं है कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मैं वो समझते हैं फर्क नहीं पड़ता. वी आर गुड, हमारा बेसिक फंडा क्लियर है. बट अगर मैं किसी और के लिए पॉडकास्ट एडिट कर रहा हूँ या कुछ कर रहा हूँ मैं, तो आई नीड टू मेक श्योर कि मैं उसके स्टैंडर्ड्स को भी मीट कर रहा हूँ.
That's true.
Throwing a party with Kashish might be very different than throwing a party that I'm throwing for myself.
For yourself.
Because then I also have to take care of what his expectations
His expectations are, yeah.
So that's what I mean. Mistakes कम करो.
Yeah.
Keep family and friends close. उनको अच्छे से उनके साथ time spend करो. You know, because they also parents are growing older. My relatives are growing older. My brothers and sisters are becoming, you know, and they're getting married. And you know, like a lot of things. So spend time with them. Be a nice person, and generally, you know, create.
Yeah, you seem like this guy, you know, who basically thinks a lot, but also like
chills
like,
every once
you know,
in a while.
chills is like just
Karna padta
like does a lot of things and all. What do you think is the best part about you know, having this studio and like being around people like your team?
Bro, it's a creative space for us to do stuff.
Yeah.
अगर मैं भी कुछ नहीं कर रहा ना, कोई और बैठा हुआ है यहाँ पे, वो अपना काम कर रहा है और some way we all like
energy
yeah,
is
yeah,
right?
yeah.
It's sort of like a, again, like a collective,
Yeah.
like you just riff off each other and
it
there's
becomes a
things
space
happening.
for multiple people to come and fuck
chill,
around.
Yeah.
No, honestly.
I understand. It's sort of like a Soho house as well, right? Like
technically,
yeah, because it's like.
But we're all working with it towards the similar or same idea.
Yes.
जैसे मेरे DJs आ जाते हैं कभी कभार अपना console लेके मस्त कर रहे हैं कुछ, सडनली मैं कुछ कहीं और चला गया हूँ, किसी और कॉल पे हूँ, मैं आ रहा हूँ, DJ लग गया है console, दोनों speakers में गाने बज रहे हैं. You know,
it's like a very creative space.
Yeah.
And I think there's I think there's something very like just magical about that.
That's why I focused on still having, like, you know, keeping a physical space.
Yeah. I think yeah, like this thing, like, you know, like people that
जैसे
you
intern
have
आया हुआ है, कोई intern बैठे हुए मुझसे पहले आ गए, you know, वो बैठा है, वो अपना कुछ कर रहा है, कोई म्यूजिक का intern है, he's sitting, he's recording his album, whatever, you know.
Absolutely, man.
बस ये कि just work together, love each other, and अगर creative differences हो रहे हैं, know how to handle them better.
Okay.
In the end, harm मत करो किसी का. बहुत होते हैं यार. You have people that you think are close to you, and then suddenly something goes wrong. But there are certain lines you shouldn't cross. You shouldn't hurt someone.
Yeah, true that.
That's all, I think. And don't say nasty things about anybody. Just keep it peaceful, cordial, and that's it. तुम्हें मुझसे problem है, आप अपना करो. Just don't create an issue around it.
Yeah.
Some people do that.
संभवता से कुछ होता है.
हाँ, और गुस्सा आ रहा है मुझे, मैं निकाल लूँगा अलग से.
True.
I'll vent it out in my own way. Just don't. Yeah. But most people don't do it nowadays. I'm touchwood. So like people that have been around me, it's been good. Hopefully I give the right energy and people give the right energy back. So it's fine and it's good focus. So that's good.
Yeah, I can like being here, I can actually feel the energy, you know.
Hey bro, ideas get translated. Somebody else is doing something somewhere that could be inspired by you. You don't even know. Or something that somebody else has done that could have inspired you. You don't know. So it's good.